Good morning, good morning. Bon matin. So let's see here. We have this. We got this here. Everything set up. YouTube is on. All right. So first thing first, welcome. So welcome if it's your first time here on YouTube. This is a Franglish live trading session. So basically I'll be bouncing from French to English, be answering question about your chart. Gonna give you trade ideas. By the way, if you want to share your charts, very simple. You go on Trading View, you click on this little camera here, you copy paste the from the \x to the end, and you paste that in the chat. So don't freak out if I bounce from French to English. Like I said, I'll be trying to translate pretty much everything that is important to know, so you're not going to be missing any important information. Donc, bienvenue, je vous souhaite la bienvenue si c'est votre première fois ici. Bienvenue, c'est une session en direct, donc de trading. Je vais répondre à vos questions en français ou en anglais, peu importe. Donc, je vais passer du français à l'anglais. N'inquiétez-vous pas, je vais essayer de traduire tout ce qui est important pour que vous puissiez pas manquer aucune information. Donc, on va vous donner des idées de trade, on va analyser vos charts. Donc, si vous avez besoin d'aide, quoi que ce soit, vous avez besoin que je regarde à votre chart, tout simplement, cliquez sur la petite caméra ici en haut à droite. Vous allez sélectionner ensuite la partie qui est la barre oblique avec le X jusqu'à la fin et vous allez coller ça dans le chat YouTube. Donc, sur ce, je vous souhaite une excellente session. All right. So now, let's see. Let's start with GJ. So yesterday in our group, I sent something about when we break this resistance, we didn't have this information, right? So I was like, if we actually, it was, where was it? God damn it. Was it here? No, it was somewhere around here. Anyways, so that QP level said if there's a break and retest, I think it was right. No, yeah, break and retest here. Yeah, it was that QP break and retest. But anyways, doesn't matter because that happened. So now let's see what's up for today. So let's do our top-down analysis. And like I said, I'll be bouncing from French to English. Don't worry. All right, so let's start with the monthly candle. So this monthly candle is gonna close tomorrow. So almost done. I mean, I've been planning this monthly wick fill here from I think the beginning of the month. Still didn't happen. Probably gonna happen next month. We'll see. We are almost tapping the weekly resistance. We're gonna see that, and we are at a daily resistance also. But so far, I mean, this bullish candle should continue bullish. I mean, we might be some ranging here. We have an FP also Friday, so I don't know. We're gonna see. Donc, si on regarde sur le chart du mois, donc ça fait pratiquement depuis le début du mois que je planifiais le remplissage de la mèche de cette chandelle-là. C'est toujours pas arrivé, probablement le mois prochain. Cette chandelle-là, jusqu'à maintenant, bon, est bullish très forte et d'après moi, va rester bullish. Elle ferme demain, donc techniquement, on devrait continuer vers le haut. Par contre, il faut garder en tête que nous avons les nouvelles des NFP ce vendredi. Alright, so now let's take a look at the weekly. The weekly now look like, I mean, we formed kind of a support here. We had a huge rejection to the downside, came up, broke this high, so technically we should continue up this week. Morning Francesco, morning Malcolm, how you guys doing? Hey Jason, what's up? Sorry about that. Alright, so, and Key D, I'm gonna look at your chart right after top down analysis, don't worry. Alright, so let's see here. Let's continue with that weekly. Alright, nothing else much to say about that weekly, basically. Donc, si on regarde, ben, on a formé un genre de support ici sur le chart de la semaine. On est allé vers le bas, on a rejeté, on a fermé bullish. Et cette chandelle-ci, mais jusqu'à maintenant, a brisé le haut précédent, respecté le bas précédent. Donc, on devrait continuer vers le haut cette semaine. Alright, so now looking at the daily. Looking at the daily, morning Michelle. Looking at the daily, Look like we are forming support at this moment, but this candle is not closed yet, so we don't know, but it looks like it. The other thing also is I put in note that this purple line, my QP, my major QP at 152, is also a daily resistance right here, you know, so I'm going to be careful about that because we're getting into that right now. So 152 is going to be pretty strong level. So yes, I mean, support is formed, broke previous high, respected previous low. We should continue up today. Yeah, maybe we're gonna have this wick fill on the weekly here that we've been planning for months, for actually a couple of weeks. Donc, si on regarde sur le chart journalier, donc on voit ici présentement qu'on est en train de former, nous sommes présentement à former un support. La chandelle n'est pas fermée par contre, donc on ne peut pas le confirmer pour sûr. Pardon. Par contre, on s'apercevra qu'on a brisé le haut précédent et respecté le bas précédent. Donc techniquement, on devrait continuer vers le haut à ce niveau-ci. Ce qui est important de noter par contre, c'est que le niveau 152 est un niveau très fort. C'est un niveau de résistance journalier. Donc il faut garder ça en tête. Alright. Let's go to 4 hours. Alright, so now looking at 4 hours, basically, you know, price making a new high, price came down, formed support to retest the high, and we did it. Now we are at H4 resistance right here. So now we want to make sure we break. So we actually close above. So now we're just waiting for a retest on 4 hour, but I think we're going to get it on a lower time frame. And yeah, I think we're going to be able to, with volume, we need to break this daily resistance, which is also a major QP, which is 152. So this is going to be, so yeah, we're going to need help from volume here to break this. Donc si on regarde sur le chart du 4 heures, donc nous sommes présentement à une résistance 4 heures. On a brisé et fermé au-dessus. Donc ce qui est important, c'est maintenant ça nous prend un retest. Donc on doit tester à nouveau cette zone-là et pousser vers le haut. Par contre, il faut garder en tête, comme je disais tantôt, 152 va être très fort et difficile à briser. Et GG a fait exactement ce qu'on pensait hier. Donc on a créé un nouveau haut en 4 heures. On est venu en bas former un support pour on a retesté le haut. So you see, even a high time frame does that, you know, create new high, came down, form support, retest. It just take longer, but you know, that play worked out pretty well. I mean, we had this resistance at 9 a.m. yesterday Eastern, and price came down, formed support around like nice support, engulfing support also at a major QP 151. So if I was looking for a swing trade, to be honest, I didn't look at it, but if I was looking for a swing trade, that would be probably the best setup here, you know, knowing that we had a new high support form at a previous at a H4 support previously at a major QP engulfing candle. I mean, Jesus, everything was good. The only thing is we closed right at QP, so that was the only scary thing, but except that, phew, that was pretty good. Alright, so let's take a look at 1 hour. Alright, so 1 hour, it's going to be pretty much the same idea here. Basically create new high, came back, retest. So now if we look, we have this resistance here on H1. We just broke and closed above. So now we are waiting for retest and continue up, or we want price to come down in the golden zone. But for that, I need to see a candle closing bearish, breaking structure on 30-minute or 1 hour. Because right now, I mean, there's no way I can put a fibs. It's going to be invalid. Donc si on regarde maintenant H1, c'est pas mal la même idée que le H4. Donc on avait un nouveau haut, on a retesté un nouveau haut. Présentement, on a brisé la résistance, donc on doit seulement attendre un test à nouveau de cette zone-là, ou encore que le prix descende dans la golden zone. Mais pour l'instant, on ne peut pas tracer de fibres parce qu'on n'a pas de bris de structure. So looking at 30 minutes is going to be the same thing here. So basically, I mean, this 30-minute, the past two 30-minute close above this resistance. Now we are kind of retesting this zone, but it looked like now we're going to come down. So it looked like this fib is going to be valid now, this 30 minutes. So we got to wait and see, but it looks like it's going to be valid. So that would be golden zone right here. And I can expect price to come down around there, or if it stays there and I have a retest, we're going to continue up. So we have two options here. Donc la deuxième option, en fait on a deux options. Donc maintenant ici sur le 30 minutes, on peut commencer à avoir une confirmation que notre FIB va être valide, donc du plus bas au plus haut. Et ça nous donnerait une zone, la golden zone ici. Donc je m'attends à ce que le prix descende jusqu'ici, forme support, reteste le nouveau haut. So basically now we got a new high form, so we need to retest that high. Ou soit qu'on va retester le nouveau haut, ou on va faire tout simplement nous avons notre bris, le test, et on a besoin de cette chandelle-là qui close bullish pour qu'on puisse continuer vers le haut. So if we're waiting for that retest, so basically this is the breaking candle, this is a retest candle, and we need this new candle now to flip bullish and create support. All right, man. Whew, I'm tired now. It's just, man, that's a lot of work for 5:30 a.m. Trust me. All right. So now let's take a look at some charts. Hey guys, we got 65 people on YouTube, only 8 likes. Come on guys, give a like to the stream. This is easy. It takes 2 seconds. And if you didn't register yet to the channel, do so. Subscribe, activate notification, right? Come on guys, we got 65 people. We should get to 50 likes in a second. Like, before I finish analyzing the next chart, we should be at 50. Come on, don't let me down, guys. Don't let me down. All right, so let's take a look at this chart. This is coming from Malcolm. This is GA. Yeah, we're going to take a look at GA right after. But basically, potential buy above 500 QP here, approximately 19 pip range. Potential sells, but be aware of double bottom and golden zone. Okay. So let's take a look at this. Potential buys above 500. Oh yes, above 500. Yeah, definitely. There's clean traffic. That's gonna be beautiful. So yeah, break retest above 500. That would make totally sense. Yeah, here we got this double bottom neckline, golden zone. Yeah, you know what? We're gonna take a look at G, but I think it makes sense what you think here, Mancom. So I'm gonna take a look closer to GA, and I'll give you my last opinion after that, but that looks pretty good to be honest. Let's take a look at GJ from Malcolm also. So basically target here, target is, let me move the camera here, target, oh I don't see the oh it's right here, 152. Okay, perfect. So same idea here. Will a retest of this QP, this zone be valid? Reason for buys? Yes, definitely, because this is also previous resistance, previous QP, so totally sense. Good job, Malcolm. Good job. All right, let's take a look at Mike. Mike, range. Perfect. So Mike now is identifying range, so which is good, because if I look back at when we started together, I mean, you would probably like entering right in here. So that's pretty good, man. Pretty good. All right, so now, yeah, that would safer trade for sure here. Yes, like we discussed with Malcolm. All right, so we're gonna take a look at G, but that's good, Mike. Malcolm, ignore my GJ because I said it before. Your analysis actually, no, that's good. It's still good though. It's not bad. All right, let's take a look here at Key's chart here on YouTube. Let's take a look. Looking for buys above high, and which level is that? And that is USD Swiss franc. All right, buy above this high. But what I suggest here, because I don't see the information here on the left, but this is on 1 hour, right? So what I suggest to you, Kitty, is let me grab an arrow here. So instead of buying here, oops. So instead of buying here, why not wait for price to come down here, form support, push back up, retest the high, right? So that will give you a better risk reward. You're gonna get more pips. Of course, if price decide just to push up, yes, wait for a break and retest and go up, right? But most of the time when price push hard like this, at one point price needs to come down, form support and push up. The problem with buying here without a good confirmation above here is most of the time you'll be trying to buy a top, okay, and you don't want to buy a top. So that would be the suggestion. So watch price action. But yes, if you get a break and a retest, yes, that would make sense. But I would definitely not entering an impulse entry here at the top of a big push, right? But yeah, except that, I mean, again, I don't see the information here on the left, but if there's clean traffic, that would make sense. Bonjour Sacha, bonjour Albert, bonjour. Hey Sasha, I'm the guy from Instagram. I asked you about counter trend trade. Can you tell me a little bit about the specific way when you consider it to enter in counter trend? Yeah, I'll give you a couple inputs, but I mean, my video in my course just about that, I think it's 30 minutes, so I'm not going to be able to do this here on the live, but I'll give you some pointers. Where's the golden zone? Oh, right here. It's yellow. 50 likes, Sasha Dance. Oh yeah, whoa. 50? No, come on, bro. Couple hundreds, I'll dance. What's up, caveman? What's up? Alright, so we got 34 likes, we got 72 people. Okay, so I guess people didn't understand me when I say boom, smash that like button. So alright, so if you're on Zoom, jump on YouTube for a second, give a like to the stream. If you're on YouTube, don't forget to do so. Now let's move on to GA. All right, so GA. So GA monthly candle right now, I mean, broke previous high, respected previous low. Now it's just like on the side, right? It's small, bearish as we speak, but technically should continue up, right? So we had a huge rejection to the downside both last month. I mean, the two last month had a huge rejection to the downside and push back up after. Donc, si on regarde sur le chart du mois, donc on regarde les deux chandelles précédentes du mois ont eu des grosses réjections vers le bas et ont poussé vers le haut par après. Présentement, cette chandelle-ci a brisé le haut précédent, a respecté le bas précédent. Donc, techniquement, on devrait continuer vers le haut, mais présentement, c'est un petit corps de chandelle à la baisse. Donc, on doit regarder ça. Looking at weekly right now, we're getting into this weekly resistance right here. So we gotta keep that in mind. So 500 QP. So we're gonna keep that in mind. But 500 QP is a weekly resistance. So it's gonna be a strong level right there. Donc si on regarde sur le chandelle de la semaine, il faut garder en tête que le QP 500 est une résistance de la semaine. Donc, il faut faire attention à cela. But so far, I mean, we kind of create a support here with this candle. The only reason it's not over there is because of the gap. But yeah, we kind of formed support-ish. And now price is trying to break this resistance. So, donc, maintenant, le chandelle de la semaine a essayé de former un support et on essaie de briser la résistance de la semaine. Let's take a look at the daily here. Daily. All right, so daily, we got a huge wick fill to do here. So let's identify that with a black line here. So we're going to put that black. And we're going to write that's gonna be daily wick fill. Alright. Donc ça, la ligne noire qui est là, c'est un remplissage de mèche sur le chart journalier. Donc, ça peut devenir un potentiel, une cible potentielle. So now looking at this daily, like I said, now we form resistance on the daily, right? Oh no, sorry. So we form resistance here at the daily. Yesterday, I mean, we went up, we respected previous high, came down and broke previous low. So now, based on this daily, we respected previous high and broke previous low. So looks like we're coming down again on this daily candle. And if you take a look here on this daily, if you do your fib, so now you are in this daily golden zone as we speak. I mean, well, you retrace back up, but I think here it was. Let me put this here. All right, here, daily GZ. All right, so let's find out on a lower time frame if we can get an entry here that's gonna it's rejecting now this golden zone on the daily fib level. Donc si on regarde sur le chart journalier, j'ai placé l'élément Fibonacci de en bas à en haut. Et même si on a cette chandelle-ci qui a brisé le bas précédent, cette chandelle-ci a brisé le bas précédent et maintenant commence à rejeter, c'est parce qu'on est dans la golden zone daily. So the reason why this daily candle now is rejecting is because we are in this golden zone daily, plus we are rejecting this major QP right now. So maintenant, essayons de voir sur les time frames plus petits si on peut voir une entrée possible. Alright, so looking here on H4, I think already we got this answer right here. So we got a nice support form here, engulfing support on H4, rejecting golden zone, rejecting QP, broke previous high on the previous candle. So I think this new 4 hour needs to do this wick down and it's gonna start breaking above again. But right now, this is a minor range here on H4. Donc si on regarde sur le chart du 4 heures, présentement, on doit comprendre que la nouvelle chandelle de 4 heures doit former la mèche du bas pour après pousser vers le haut. Mais jusqu'à maintenant, c'est quand même bon. On a un support formé dans la Golden Zone qui rejette le majeur QP 8000 et avec une formation de chandelle engulfing, donc qui englobe la chandelle précédente. Looking at H1, looking at H1, I think the entry was here on the break of this high. That was at 3 a.m. So you can take an impulse entry because, I mean, there's volume there. There's London. So I think that made sense. Looking at this now. I actually forgot to put my zone here. Let's do our zone on H4 first. So here. Whoops. What the hell? So we got this H4 resistance. We got this support now. And we need to make sure we stay above this not minor, but H4 resistance range. There we go. Alright, so that looks good. Alright, H1. So same thing, we can adjust our zone here a little bit. And the rest totally makes sense. So nice. I mean, I think the best entry was right here actually on H1. The best entry was at midnight. But the problem is here, this wick down got stopped out. But I would probably got it being stopped out here because, I mean, that was pretty good. Pretty good entry here. But you know what? That sucks. Yep, that was good though. I would get trapped into this. Donc je pense qu'une des bonnes entrées était autour de minuit ici. Mais sinon, la deuxième entrée possible au prix du haut ici. So now, I think the rest makes sense here. Donc le reste fait du sens ici en H1. J'ai ajusté un petit peu la zone ici. Mais le reste fait bien du sens. Guys, we are 4 likes shy from 50 likes. Let's get it. Let me remove that smash button because I trust you. You're gonna do it. Alright, so now let's take a look at this 30-minute. Actually, let's take a look at H1 now. So if this closed bearish, and now we broke this low, so there's a good chance this candle continue bearish. So now let's do this here. This is coming from this push, right? So we're gonna do this one green. So this one's gonna be the H1 golden zone. And 30 minutes, same idea. Oh, you know what? Looking at 30-minute, the best entry was, wow, I think on 30-minute that was pretty good though. On 30 minutes, look at this. You basically had, this right here. So you can take your entry, yeah, like I said, like kind of right here on the break of the neckline. Let's see if there's a entry on H1. Yeah, like I said, right here, this H1 when it broke the high, right there at 3 a.m. So around 3 a.m. When it broke the high, that was also the break of the neckline. So that was your go, and you have the support form here. So yeah, that was a pretty nice trade here if you did that. All right, so now I mean, it's either we do a break and retest and we push up, or we wait for support to be formed and continue up, right? But looking at this, yeah, boy. Or you might be looking also at and maybe here it's gonna be the right shoulder, right in the golden zone. Man, all right, we got plans here. Okay. Are you guys too quiet, or is my sound system not working? I think you guys are too quiet on Zoom.
We are sleeping yet.
All right. Oh, is it Elisa's birthday? God damn. Okay, there's something in French we do. It's a comic. His name is Français Perus, and we do something like this. We send that usually. So Français Perus. It's in French, right? But it's so funny. I find it funny. So that's the one. So that's just for Lisa. Oops.
You know when you have food that goes bad, it's easy to throw it away. Well,
Hold on, wait a second. Oh, here, this one.
Bonjour, bonne fête et des ballons avec des petits qui ont le pic de boule de garde. Oui, là, le big and I'm a good speak, not that, fête, you got them on the water, gather in the bonne fête, pretty doodly, by the bonfire.
You're old, Sasha.
I know, I'm so old. So, happy birthday, Lisa. Oh, what the hell is going on here? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. So, happy birthday, Elisa. So, what about everybody saying happy birthday on YouTube to Elisa? Come on, guys.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Will it be copyright? Oh, shit. That's a good question. I didn't talk about that.
No.
Hopefully not. Alright. Alright. Got to 50 likes plus. That's good. But now we got 100 people. So now it would make sense. We get now next step. It should be the next QP at 75, right? So we should hit 75 like now. Next step. Let's do it. Alright. So, alright. Here's a swing trade I'm in. Almost got stopped out from currency pair. Alright. Let's take a look at this. Alright. So this is EA swing trade. But you know what, guys? When you send chart like this, I mean, what do you expect me to do? Because I don't see any analysis. I see like a line and a red square and a green square. I have no clue. I don't even see the candles. You know, it's just like I don't even see the candles. So that is no help to you, no help to anyone. So when you send charts, please label your chart. You know, make sure you zoomed in so we can see something. Yeah, because that I cannot help you with this. It's just I can't. I mean, I want, but I can't. Good morning, sexy. Oh, thank you. All right, so we got a couple happy birthday, Elisa. Elisa is one of our students, so yeah, and she's gonna break it today because that's her birthday. So she's gonna get 200 pips. All right, so let's hear. Good morning, team. It's my birthday. Let's get this shmoney. Shmoney. I like that. Let's get this shmoney. I like it. Alright, so let's take a look here. Mike, we saw that. Okay. Francesca, okay. Straight from dog grab Kulak. Alright, cool. Alright. We are up to date here on the chat. It's not Lisa, it's Elisa. Yeah. I can say in French is the same thing. It's Elisa. Elisa. Hopefully I said it right. Hi Sasha, when you're gonna start London session? London session? Oh, probably, I don't know. Probably never. But with students, yes. With students, I'm probably gonna start doing it soon, once every 2 weeks. Because, I mean, it's right in the middle of my night, right? So I cannot do that every day because I'm going to be completely destroyed. Hello, Ali Riza. Hi, Sasha. Are you planning to start to trade gold? Yesterday, saw it from your IG story. I don't know, man. It's been a couple trades I've been calling, played out pretty well. So look at this. Look, this is the trade from yesterday. So this is the trade from yesterday, and that runner is still running and never came out to stop me. So I didn't even take a look yesterday, but how many pips is that? So wow, that runner is at 310 pips. That is so sick. That is so freaking sick. Wow. Oh, wow. Yeah. So what about, okay, so what about now? So let's take a look. Let's take a look at gold. Let's take a look at gold. That was crazy ass range here.
Bro,
What's up? How you doing, Das?
yeah, it's just intraday and pound was a short. Me and Simon.
Yeah, I saw that very quickly. That's good.
Yeah. So what do you think about that? Now 1 hour candle closed the police engulfing.
On GJ?
GA short.
Oh, GA. On GA. So basically, on GA right now, I mean, you gotta wait for price to come down. You know, form support here, or we need a candle to close above this zone.
Isn't the overall trend like bearish? Like,
But
is
right
it
now, I
over?
mean, no, because the thing is, if you look on the higher time frame, we have on the daily, we are straight in that golden zone, on the daily golden zone, and it start rejecting here in this golden zone. So that gives me a hint that now, look, price start to reverse to the upside. And if you look here, we are in an uptrend also, right? So
Yeah.
yeah. So price came down here, formed support, needs to form support and push back up, and it actually did on 4 hours. Nice engulfing candle, forming support in the daily golden zone at a major QP. I mean, can ask better than this, right? So yeah, so basically on GA, basically it's either waiting for this to push up, or I'm gonna be looking for sells, probably like under 750 QP only. So yeah. Oops. Here. So it look like we're getting that break and retest now. But if this candle breaks the low, probably continue down until this golden zone here. Where was I before this question from the? Oh yeah, gold. All right, so let's take a look here. Wow, so I guess this is the next support here. Okay. So now we got this. We just broke this. So now looking at this, can we get this? Yeah, we got the break, retest. Yeah, the entry was on this candle right here. I mean, there's clean traffic to here, right? That's crazy. Let's take a look at 5 minutes just for fun. Whoa. Okay. Yes, I would want this to retest on 15 minute though. That would be best. Or 30 minute. But I think a good entry was right here. After this resistance here, I think that was a great entry. But it happened yet. So gotta wait for the other move. So right now, nothing for me here on gold. But I can't believe this runner is like 310 pips, man. That is so sick. God damn. All right. All right. So this is Sasha. Let's go gold today. Yeah. Nah. I don't know. Gold is wild, man.
Morning, Sasha.
Morning, Yassine.
Yeah. So
Good morning, Sasha.
Good morning, Francesco. Waiting for support to be formed for price to continue up. Okay.
yeah, but the thing is, the candle is closing too big now, so I'm not sure how I would enter at this point, right?
This is what 30-minute. Okay,
Yeah,
let's take a look.
30-minute. Yeah, you see,
Yeah.
the move that I want is kind of already done. So what would you do in this case? Would you wait for bullish engulfing of the previous candle to continue up, or?
Well, for me, it's pretty nice because I mean, you get your break and retest here on this H1 candle, right? So H1, but we need to close above this resistance here, you know.
Yeah.
So we need to make sure we close above, and we probably gonna be able to. Yes, stop's gonna be lower, right? Because H1's gonna be big, but when stop are bigger, don't stop yourself from taking a trade. Just switch to percentage and risk percentage based, you know. So you're not gonna be risking more, even if your stop is 200 pips, you know. You can still trade it basically if you use 2% risk or 1% risk or 3% risk. You can still take that trade, you know. You're gonna be risking the same kind of amount of money. So that's what I would do probably. All right, 133 people, 65 likes. Come on, let's get 200 now. I mean, we got the range. We got the range to get 200. Let's get to 100. Smash that like button, guys. Let's do it. Let's do a blitz. Let's blitz to 100 likes. Let's go. Philip Miller, what are you doing on YouTube? Oh, he probably went there to give a like. What's up, Philip Miller? If you join the group, okay, let's see here. Hello, Sasha. Hi, Sasha. Are you planning to start to trade go? Okay, now answer that. If I join the group, would you allow us students to trade London session on Zoom? Oh yes, of course. Yes, we're actually planning right now to. I'm actually probably. I saw a couple people yesterday night that traded London session, so. And I tried yesterday to set up something. It didn't work. But what I'll do now is probably going to do my set up the schedule the Zoom link and give access to, let's say, I don't know, Simon for say. I'm going to give him my password and he's going to be able to start the Zoom. And as soon as I wake up, I'm going to be able to jump on Zoom with you guys. And I will be jumping on Zoom just before going to bed also to give you my ideas. And yeah, so definitely doable, and we got a couple of very good students now that trade London, so you're gonna be in good hand for sure. Can you give me some advice how I make better analysis, or is it good enough? Okay, let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at this. Copy. All right. Okay. So clean chart on the left side, and we have a line, a white line here. So I guess you're waiting. So you see, with no labels, I gotta guess, you know. So I gotta guess what you're thinking. So guys, when you send charts, please label your charts. Like, give me what you're thinking, you know. I got a clean chart on the left side. All right, so where's your entry? What are you waiting for? What, you know? I mean, I gotta guess now. Just like, it's, come on, guys.
The problem there is that he's not waiting for the candle broken. He's waiting for the line, the trend line break.
Yeah, and that we gotta assume or think that's that, because it's not labeled, so we don't know. So maybe yeah. So if you want one very good comment here, V2. So just make sure you label your chart so I'm able to help you, you know, because right now I have no idea what's your plan, right? So 76 likes, getting on. All right, let's go. Let's go. All right. So I'll show you a label chart, guys. So this is, let's go to here, new window. So basic, you know, this is how you label your chart. Boom. Okay. So very simple. Give me your ideas, or you know what? If you go to, this was with my journal, right? But let's say disable here. God damn it. So if you see here, if I go to Asian session, so you see I send ideas here and said looking for buy above. If this candle, and you point that candle, if this candle start rejecting and break the high, you can expect to continue up and break resistance with volume coming in. So this is when I send that, students are able to understand what I'm saying, right? I mean, hopefully. Here, there's another one. If break and retest, looking for buys above this zone, right? Dog shit, that means no trade. If break and retest, looking for sell, because it was in a range, right? So that's how you label your chart, guys. So make sure you label that. Hey Sasha, can you educate educate me on this trade? Sure. All right. 80 likes, 20 likes shy from 100. Let's do it. Executed by, but candle went below 151, 151.80. So I managed risk, but how could I avoid that? Candle close above 150.800. That is GG 1 hour. Oh, really simple. Executed by candle when below. Okay, so the first question you need to ask yourself, is why? What is the reason why you buy here? So that's the first question. What is your confirmation for taking a buy right here? So that's the number one question. So what is the reason why? And I'll tell you what's the reason. It's FOMO, you know? FOMO, because you saw a candle pushing hard and you say, oh man, let me jump in that trade. So no, when you see price coming up, you need for price to come down, form support, and push back up. Don't jump in a trade just to be jumping in a trade. Right, Mike?
Yes, FOMO is mine, man. FOMO is mine.
FOMO is evil, man. So yeah, so basically, how you can improve that, it just be more patient, right? So very simple, because I mean there was no confirmation for continuation in this case, no confirmation, you know. So yeah, so I think just by being more patient, you're gonna solve a lot of that. And plus, I mean, you just broke a new high, now you're forming a new high, so why you want to buy a top? Buying a top will get you nowhere. Wait for retracement down, or break of the resistance, break and retest. You know, you need some confirmations. If you start focusing on 1, 2, and 3 confirmations, you're gonna see a huge improvement in your win ratio. That will be Fabulous. Thank you, Sasha. Oh, thank you. That is Caveman. Yeah, Caveman, man. You're welcome. It's trend line. Oh, it was a trend line. Okay. How you draw golden zone? How I'll draw golden zone? Very simple, basically. You from swing low to swing high. So basically, from swing low to swing high. You know, so that will give you your golden zone. I'm gonna put it more cute like this. Oh, I think that was on 30 minutes. That's why. Swing low to swing high. Yeah, same idea. Ali Riza, thank you. El Palat. Oh, you're welcome, man. Welcome. Good morning, Steve. All right. 17 likes shy. Let's do it. Do it now. I was playing with gold because if I trade gold, it will destroy my account in second. Yes. Yeah. Definitely. Man, I just put mark of anyways. Yeah, gold is wild, man. I think he took the trade because the 30-minute candle broke and closed above resistance. Yeah, but yeah, okay. It broke. Yeah, it broke and closed above, but what else? You know? What else? You need confirmation. Yes, it broke and closed, but that doesn't tell you it's gonna continue up. It might be a fake out like this, you know? So it might be a fake out. Did you take any trade today? No, not yet. Waiting. Hi, could you share your thought around USD Swiss franc? Here is my analysis. It's funny how I never receive USD Swiss franc and now it's been two chart back to back. What is going on? All right. Price broke the resistance and retest a few times. All right, retest, perfect. Support, pushed up, boom. I'm looking for buys at 417. Okay, right there, I guess. Sell under the resistance. This is the 30 minute. Yes, so I think I don't know how much volume this pair has, but I would wait to break, because the problem now is how many pips is that? So if you take a buy here, you got a minor resistance right above you. So if you take a buy down here, you got to make sure that there's a time that you have volume in the market to be able to break this zone. If not, you need to break this minor zone. So depending, again, if you're in a volume time, you can take an impulse on the break of the resistance, or you wait to break and retest this and push up. So, but yeah, you gotta watch out, because if you're looking, let's say, I don't know, for 15 pips, 12 pips, whatever, and your range is 12, I mean, you don't have enough room, right? So you gotta be careful with that. Or you're taking it expecting the volume to break, but for that you need to be in a certain specific time that you know that volume is gonna push. Usually that happened around like New York Open, you know, NYSE Open, something like that. Hi Sasha, looking at GJ and thinking if the current 30-minute candle struggles to close above 250 QP, then we could see a move down to around 500 QP as a counter trend trade. Yes, but I think it's gonna go in that golden zone. So that's why for me there's no range for that counter trend trade. And talking about that, let's talk about yeah shit. I forgot to. Did I journal yesterday? Oh yes, I did journal. Sweet. Almost forgot. I was like shit. I forgot to journal yesterday. So here was it this one? Oh, actually that was this one. So that was my counter trend trade from yesterday. So someone was asking me, that I was talking on the stream about not taking counter trend trade, and that is true. I will never tell people to take counter trend trade. I will always tell people it's a dumb idea when you don't have experience, and that's the problem with some people. So I put something in the course about counter trend trade, and now suddenly people wants to do counter trend trade. So I'm like, guys, relax. There's a reason why it's in the advanced section. First, get wins under your belt trading the trend, and after that maybe start looking at counter trend when there's a good opportunity, right? But first let's get consistent or constant no constant. The Franglish having problem this morning. So anyways, so let's get a couple wins under your belt first, and after that, look at that. But here was the idea on this counter trend trade. Let me grab an arrow here. So the idea was basically price came up. So I actually grabbed a buy also. So the first buy went right here to a win. So that's the other chart I labeled just before. So I got a win right here in the buy. So now when I saw price came down here, so it kind of came down, retest this zone, push back down, sorry. And trade was based on this H1 candle. So let's move to, but on 30 minute, you can see the break and retest. So let's delete that for a second. Let's move to H1. What time is it? Okay, perfect. Let's go back to our things. All right, so let's take a look at H1. So this counter trend trade was based on H1. All right, so basically we saw the break and retest on 30 minute, and after that, when you look at H1, you see that now this H1 candle has a huge rejection to the downside, and this was a dog tail NY setup perfectly. So this is something I've been backtested for the couple last weeks / months, and this candle, when it broke minor support here, that's where I actually entered. With the spread it was a little lower, but when it broke, it was kind of right here, and after that price just melt. So it went straight to my golden zone. So that was the plan here. That was my target. But actually, when price came to this QP, which is the 250 QP, I secured my full position because it was a counter trend trade, and I was like very happy with the profit. It was 20 pips. So I was like, all right. So I didn't secure any profit until I hit my 20 pips. So it was a full 20 pips gain. So for me, I was pretty happy with that and decided to close. But basically, that setup will give me almost every time a 1-to-1. So basically my stop here, so that was the play here. So short. So the entry was kind of on the break of this. So this was the stop loss, was 28 pips, and my target was right around here. So right in the golden zone. But actually, it actually hit, but I secured my profit at 20 pips, so right here. So that was good. So yeah, so that was the counter trend trade. So there's a couple confirmation you want, and yeah. Oops. All right. Oh, we say consistent? Man, I think I did a mistake on all my videos on my course then. I always say constant. Consistent. Because in French, consistent, c'est consistant. Donc, consistent means something solid, kind of. La constance, être constant, mean being like steady, you know, regular, like, I don't know, weird. Okay.
Consistent.
Yeah, I know. It's now that's why everybody's saying on YouTube consistent.
It is my teacher.
So I guess I did a mistake on all my videos on the course because I think I say every time constant instead of consistent. God damn it. Oh well. All right, 91 likes. 9 like away from 100. Can we get it? Can we get it? Come on, guys. 9 likes. Smash the like button, guys. Come on. Je crois qu'on oublie de faire ça. Let's do this here. All right. Oh, we got 100 likes. Whoop, 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 whoop. Party. All right, that's good. Thank you. And we are at almost 200 people, so we should get to the next QP now. We should get to that 150 QP now. I mean 125 first. Yeah, let's get to 125 first. Next QP on the likes. Alright, so people here in the chat. Alright. Here, subscribe please. Oh, Krishma, GRG, subscribe please. Oh, I guess. If you go live on London session, will you post it on YouTube? For sure. But I don't think I will go live on YouTube though for London. It will be only with students. Dance. Maybe later on. I'm still not awake. So, yeah, it's been a rough night. Good analysis on the counter trend trade. Thanks. Oh, you're welcome. Thank you, Steve. Thank you. All right. So GA still. Oh, GA finally breaking here. All right. So GA looks like we're gonna break, but I'm not taking impulse entry here. It's too early for impulse entry, so I'm gonna wait for a break and retest. And that would be a go. So nice rejection of that QP level again. So it's funny when people tells me I don't know if QP works. Yeah, they pretty much work. So hey Mr. Miller, how are you? Mr. Miller. Oh, la moustache aussi. Tabarnak.
What just happened to Gigi? What the freak?
Ah, je sais, classe d'OG puis décalé.
What?
Oh, nice.
Direct au target, mais esti.
Very nice.
So, how could you have entered on that?
That's perfect actually, because if this H1
Ouais.
close
100%.
engulfing, it's gonna be beautiful.
I'll do like you said on YouTube, switch to a percentage instead of fixed swap because the swap's gonna be bigger.
Yeah, that's it.
Ben, c'est 10 pips à date, c'est pas si mal. Là.
Oh yeah? Oh, there you go.
Oh yeah? Yeah.
Mark the stash. Man, t'étais où hier?
Yo, hier j'étais là, man, j'avais juste les cheveux dans la serviette, fait que j'avais pas ouvert ma cam.
Ah, fait que tu nous entendais parler de la merde contre toi?
Ben ouais.
Ah, nice. Très drôle.
Ma gang de calices.
That was funny.
Fait que là, j'espère que t'as pogné le buy et le sell, right?
Non, j'ai rien pris de ça.
Tabarnak, man.
Ben, j'ai vu le buy, man, j'étais là, ah, c'ti. J'ai mis dans mon journal.
Hein, Jimmy, c'est quoi un cowboy?
C'est quelqu'un qui analyse mais qui exécute pas.
Exactement.
As-tu déjà pensé à écrire un livre, Jimmy?
Je sais pas écrire.
That's funny. All right. So now what's up next? Would you say GA is in a bullish or bearish trend? So to establish that, it's pretty simple. You go on, let's say on 4 hours, right? So you go like this, and this was from March 17th. So would you say, looking at this, okay? So looking at this, is price, and that's very basic, okay? Nothing scientific about that. Is your price higher or lower than on the left of the screen? So pretty basic, right? So Jimmy got the answer.
I think it's higher.
Good answer, Jimmy. Good boy. All right, so we're trending up basically, right? So price came down here, but you know, price was coming up, created a new high, came down, retest a high, created a new high. So that's how price move, right? So very basically, so we are now in a bullish trend. So now we need price to come down and push back up again, you know? So that is the plan here. Ta-dum. But there's a difference also, guys. There's a difference between the overall trend and the intersession trend, right? So we might be like right there. There's intersession bearish, right? So this session was bearish, but we're coming back up. So now we need to make sure we break this high, because now if we fail breaking this high, we might see a change of structure, you know, starting to go bearish on the long term. But if you look at a higher time frame, you know, we look on the daily, I mean, it's printing, you know, bullish. Look at this. I mean, it's been like up, down, up, down, up, down. And now we need in the golden zone and up, you know, so, oops. So, you know, higher highs, higher highs, higher highs, higher highs, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, right? Bullish. $110 likes. Come on, let's get the next QP. 125 likes. Can we get 125? All right. GJ is playing with us. And now I'm telling you, there's a bunch of people who took a buy right here at the break of this wick, because they're FOMO kicking in, and they'll be like, oh man, I'm gonna miss a move. Guys, don't worry. If you miss a move, there's gonna be another one. That's Phil. C'est tellement chiant. Oh man.
C'est un problème, la moustache?
Oh.
Man, prendre un impulse sur un write-off candle, man, y'a rien de cap que ça.
I've never done that.
Yeah, on l'a déjà tout fait au moins 2-3 fois.
There we. Hello from Italy. Oh, Alex. Hey, welcome. We got a cousin from you here as a student. We got Francesco here.
C'est vrai. Hi, Alex.
Hey, Alex, if you're in Italy, man, you need to support a music band from Italy. Here, let's put it on. Oh, actually, I'm on YouTube. I cannot play it, but I'll show. Yeah, I'll show it to you. Why is my Spotify not opening? Oh.
Only Jimmy puts music on the Zoom and
Yeah.
works it out.
Gros shout out.
Here, guys, if you don't know this is Francesco right here. And let's give it a play, guys. I cannot play it right now on YouTube, but if you have Spotify, go on it. Go on YouTube. I think Francesco, are you guys on YouTube?
Yeah.
Okay, so you can find them on YouTube also if you don't have Spotify. It's really, really good music. Really good band. So yeah, I mean, you should give it a try, man. Especially from Italy, right? It's music from your place, so pretty good, man. Really, really, really good.
In Italy, pizza and mandolino. No rock and roll.
Oh, yeah. Would you say G is okay? We answered that, right? Not sure if you saw this. Hopefully, this is a better chart than before. Currently losing. Okay, let's try to save you. Let's try to save you.
Holy shit.
Oh,
Pas sûr qu'on peut le sauver.
that's a swing or
Wait a second.
Pourquoi elle est aussi grosse?
one long, one break.
One long, one break, and retest of 4-hour trend line. You see, that's why trend line is shit. You know.
Yeah.
You see, trend line is bullshit. You know. Sorry if I offend anyone, but trend line for me is just like trend line is a visual support for me. Trend line is perfect when your eyes are not able to spot a trend, you know, and you use trend line at first for a couple months. That's fine, you know. Sometimes you'll see me with a trend line on the chart. This is just to show my students we are trending up, right? So basically, I'm gonna do something like this, you know. I'm gonna be like, all right, so we are trending up. So this is our trend line. But I don't use the trend line. You know, this is just to show them that we are moving up. Because, I mean, this trend line, the problem with the trend line is like, okay, so now the trend line, am I putting, like, if I don't have the information here, I need to put it here, right? So now suddenly, I mean, I'm kind of fucked, right? So, I mean, because this is a fake out and it's coming up again. Okay, so now I need to readjust. So now it's over here, but now I only have like, how do you call those? Touch, I guess, whatever, touch. So now should I put it with those two touch? So if I put it with those two touches right here, right? So now this is not in play. So now should I put it here or here or here? It's like, what the fuck? So anyways, trend lines, man, will not help you win trades. Trust me. And now if you're in this drawdown, man, close your shit. I mean, to be honest, I mean, man, I feel sorry for you because this is, how many pips is that? Hopefully you risk percentage wise, and please tell me you have a stop loss. You know, please tell me this is your line of stop loss. Because I mean, you gotta end the bleeding at one point. You know, just like.
Why? And shoot right after.
I mean,
right after.
Yeah, just like right here when you saw this first candle when it closed here, you know, and this next candle when this candle broke and closed under this support, that is a very, very good indication that price is going against you. So you need to understand price action.
Break and retest too. Break and retest.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, you got your break, you got your retest. I mean, everything is going down. You're printing, like, I don't even know why. I mean, man, you get some higher lows, lower lows. Man, this is a very, very, very bad idea. Very bad idea. Especially that here, I don't see anywhere why you would have been taken a buy here. I was just about to say that, Mark. The buy would be if you break this neckline, because if you look, okay, so we're trying to help people here, okay? So I don't want to be rude. I just want to make sure that you understand. So price is coming down, and you have, whoops, sorry. So you have now this double bottom here. So if you break this neckline and you get a break and retest, yes, you can buy. But I mean, this is a range. This price was in a range. This is a no-go. Everything in there is a no-trade zone. So this is really important, guys. You need to understand price action, because that will save you. Trend line will not save you. You know, trend line is just just a visual support, you know. And I don't understand that trend line, to be honest. I mean, that trend line is, I don't understand. I know it's a 4-hour trend line, but it's, I don't know. I just, yeah, trend line, man, it's gonna confuse you more than anything. It's a nice tool to have in your toolbox, you know, when you know exactly how to use it. I'm not saying it's not working for anyone. I know there's people who trade with trend lines that have success, but to be honest, qui ça?
Qui ça?
Je peux te montrer des charts, il y a 22 trend lines dedans, you know. So I don't know, it's just it's like I said, it's a visual support. So hopefully this helps you a little bit, but I will definitely be ending the bleeding because again, I mean, you're still creating higher lows and lower lows. So I mean, there's no way we're coming back up. This is now you're just hoping for price to come back up. So that's a problem. Yeah. I feel sad for you, man. I feel very sad right now. Alright, let's get this mouse. Alright, let's take a
C'est
look.
vrai que tu connais du monde qui sont rentables avec des trend lines?
Ben, ben oui, man. Ben oui. On le mentionnera pas, là. Mais il y a 52 000 trendlines dans sa chart, puis il y a des flèches rouges qui pointent en haut puis en bas.
Puis des petits cercles mauves.
Puis des petits cercles mauves, ouais.
Mon Dieu, c'est clairement juste là pour pas qu'on sache qu'est-ce qu'il fait.
Exact.
Je suis désolé.
Je vais googler pour voir si c'est celui qui même.
Mais non, mais tu sais, je veux pas dire de la merde contre le gars parce que je veux pas, il fait de l'argent, là, mais
Visual support.
je trouve ça n'importe quoi quand même. I following closely Solomon, South Africa. Oh, welcome from South Africa. Greeting from Germany. Sweet. Hey man, we're 10 likes away from the next 125 QP. I'm gonna remove the smash like button because I trust you guys. We're gonna get to 125. We're missing 10. Greeting from Germany. It's a very small position. Oh, 0.5 risk. Yeah, but I mean, it doesn't make sense to hold it, to be honest. It's just like, it just... I mean, why waiting for your stop for being stopped when you can cut the bleeding before and wait for a better opportunity and you know, re-enter? Long-term trade on 4 hours. Thanks for the feedback. Yeah, but I mean, even on the long-term trade, if I see price going against me like in a major way like this, I mean, I need to cut my losses short, right? So, because there's no way, if you always wait for your stop to be hit, it's gonna be really hard to get your winner bigger than your loser.
And trendline will always fake you out of some beautiful setup like there. You break your trend line, but it's just a retest of the previous structure.
Yeah, true. You're right, Jimmy.
Technically, you're bearish because of your trend line, but if you look at the market, you're super bullish.
Yeah. You are right.
I was gonna say, sur YouTube, quand tu cliques sur Trade with the Pack, c'est la mauvaise date. Je sais pas si tu veux fixer sur YouTube, mais c'était écrit genre March 3rd instead of March 30th. By the way.
Comment t'écris ça?
Non, mais je parle ton logo là, sur YouTube, c'est écrit Trade with the Pack, whatever. Là. Mais c'est écrit March 30th, March 3rd, pas March 30th.
Dans la description?
Le genre, quand j'étais allé sur YouTube puis je voyais Trade with the Pack. Avant de cliquer sur le lien, là, avant
Ah.
de cliquer sur la vidéo, c'était la mauvaise date. Je vais juste te dire, comme check demain ou whatever, mais.
Lequel, là?
Celui de ce matin.
Ah, la photo, tu parles?
Yes, la photo.
Ah, je pensais que ça updatait juste à la fin. Attends un peu, je vais changer ça. Le thumbnail, tu parles, là?
Yes.
Ok.
On s'en fout, je voulais juste te le laisser savoir.
Good point, good point. Let me modify that right away. Let's do this. I always thought it was uploading at the end only. Refresh video. That's weird. I cannot change shit until the end.
Well, now you know.
But can I? No, doesn't look like it. But at least in the description it says 30th. So let's try that here. Save and continue, save template. Let's
GG, arrête de gosser, man.
publish. Can I change it or not? Yeah, no, I cannot change it. That's weird.
No worries, Hush. I just wanted to let you know.
Oh, well, good point. Good to know. Good to know.
Je jure que le monde, il regarde même pas la photo, ils sont comme, oh shit. Puis là, ils check les signaux.
Look at this for RIP. All those buys who people took impulse entry on the break of the high.
J'ai pris une entrée au top, moi, là. 151,860.
Yeah.
En short, là.
Alright, so GA looking good though.
Yeah.
Mark, were you there yesterday when Sasha got lucky again?
Non, j'ai pas vu. J'ai vu le recap sur IG. Dogtail.
No, I meant when he took a second position, but it was only like 10%.
Oh wait! Oh, t'as manqué ça! T'étais-tu là?
No, he wasn't.
Ben, sur le mail.
Ouais? Ma deuxième entrée?
Ouais, j'étais là.
Oh man, c'était n'importe quoi.
Aïe, aïe, aïe. Au moins, c'était pas un dilo que tu partais, là.
Wow, c'était n'importe quoi, man.
Tabarnak.
J'avoue que je suis un peu plein de mal. Ça n'a pas de bon sens.
He acknowledges. Okay.
Greetings from Australia.
Is it like?
I'm trying to say it. I'm having a hard time. Australia.
It's 7 p.m. Right?
Greeting from Portugal. Reverse head and shoulders. Where? Oh, on GJ. Yeah, we talked about that. No, that was not on GJ.
Gee, man, wow.
Was it on GJ? Where did I spot it? Oh yeah, that was right here. Yeah, right here.
Is it gonna flip bearish?
Yeah, this is the break of the here. So here is shoulder. Wait a second. Where did I spot that? Was it on GA? Oh, I think that was possible on GA, on H1, if I'm not wrong.
1 hour is about the.
Yeah, exactly. So you got this right here, and that would be actually, if you break this, yeah, this is the neckline on that reverse head and shoulders, right? But it's stretched a little bit, to be honest. So now this looks pretty good, but for me I prefer to wait for break and retest. But yeah, if you want to jump in, it would make sense. It would make sense if this candle closed like this in 6 minutes. Hopefully you want a wick, you want a wick there, and stop's gonna be probably around like 20-ish, 25 pips. And you can target easily this next QP here.
I was gonna say, is gold going down because GA is moving up, and yeah, it is. Look at that move. No, I'm surprised no one got in the buys over here at the. Wow.
So now, oh shit, I missed it here on gold again. God damn, was not looking. The entry was right here again. God damn. It's on 15-minute right here. Yeah, that was the perfect entry right here. Right here. Are you not worried about the 500 QP, as it looks like it has been respected a lot already on GA? Yeah, that's why I'm waiting for break and retest, right? Especially that this QP is a resistance right here, right? So I think it would make way much more sense. Yeah, no, personally I'm not entering here. I wait for break and retest. Well, if I have a break and retest by this time, it's going to be NY volume. So I'm going to be able to break this minor resistance here, which is also going to be that 500 QP. So, yeah. Alright, I need to wake up. I need to stand up. Stand up, stand up. Stand up for you guys. Why is everything I say make me think of a song? Jesus.
Comes rage. Comes rage. Damn, G, wow.
Man, let me tell you, I went to run yesterday and it was so cold that I had to come back home after 3K because I cannot feel my my toes anymore, and my fingers were frozen. It was not even funny. Yeah, I was like, all right, fuck this shit. Get up, stand up. Ta-da. Oh, wow, oh, yeah. 3 likes away from that like QP at 125. Let's do it. Mission 3. Bon, t'attaques, tu te déniaises. Ça, tu gardais le meilleur pour la fin.
Et voilà.
GA, what do you think? 1 hour? Oh, why are you tagging Wigs Don't Lie? I don't know. Wrong channel.
GG would be nice like this. GG now, it's looking good.
Ouais, en achetant mon gars, moi je me prépare.
Il est quelle heure, là? Oh.
Peut-être pas.
Hey, pas là. Look at this.
Ah, si on close en bas de la résistance en H1, man, no.
Yeah, H1 looks good. H1 does definitely look good. You got a nice support. If it close above, yeah, that would make totally sense to continue up, actually. Yeah, I think that would make sense based on H1.
Non, on parlait de GJ, Satch.
Yeah.
Satcha boy.
No, but GA makes sense. GJ, no, not at all.
above.
I took only a small entry because I think we're gonna get that break and retest on 30-minute. But H1 made sense though. Nice support form, closing huge engulfing, closing a tiny bit above 500, but you know, still respecting this minor. So that's why I'm being cautious. So yeah. So I'm gonna be managing this stop loss as we go up. I'm gonna move my stop to 15 pips, and yeah. Get up, stand up. So this new H1 needs to create a bottom wick first. So it needs to come down. So it's gonna come down probably around here, you know, and after that it's gonna start pushing back up.
I wanted to get into GJ, but je sais pas, Marc, did you get in?
So GG, non, man.
Non.
On serait déjà half stop, mais si je vois qu'on rejette 750,
I just don't like how it started going down right away.
ben c'est quasiment mis de main. Tu sais, en M30, on fait des creux de plus en plus haut, on a brisé les sommets, mais en H1, on fait des creux de plus en plus haut puis des sommets de plus en plus bas.
So on this one, my partial is set at 80% instead of 90 because I think we got room and we should get to that next QP. But partial is set at 15 pips, auto break even at 11, and we'll see how it goes. Get up, stand up. So basically here it's at 667. So 667. So kind of right here. And entry is 517. 517 right here. And stop is 232. 232. That's 232 right here. So yeah. Get up, stand up. All right, can we break that high? Oh, we broke that high. All right, so 4 pips away. So now I'm gonna move my stop to a 15. Actually, right here, right under this zone here at 341. So this is my new stop. 341. There we go. 5 pips. Let's go. Can we do it? Can we do it? How long you been in America? I don't know. Since I'm born. Always been in
Entire
them.
life.
Yeah, all my life. Why is your stop loss huge? Because needs to be under that H1 candle, because I took that trade based on H1. Why not wait for retest? Did you take it? Yes, I took it based on H1. So you got this nice support engulfing, closing a tiny thing above 500 QP and 30-minute. it might give us a retest, but it might not also. So, but based on H1, when I looked at H1, it made totally sense for price to continue up. We got some clean traffic here to the left side, so yeah, H1 looks pretty good.
Broke the high up before hour.
Did we? Oh yeah, awesome. Pretty awesome. And we spoke about H4 before. We said H4 was coming, that golden zone. H4 formed a nice support here engulfing. So we're just trying to sneak peek an entry here on the next H4 candle to continue up, right? Because if you look on H4, we got clean traffic to this 81,000? Yeah, 81,000 level here. But again, we might see a retest on 30 minutes. So that's why I only took a small entry. So I took a small entry. So I only took 1% instead of 2 or 3%. Time to lift the spaceship. Oh yeah. Oh, lunchtime for Francesco. I think I'm late in the message here. Hey Mike, I have to go to work. Bye-bye. All right, bye guys. Have a great day. There a YouTube who talk about you. Oh yeah? Okay. Who is talking about me? Man, shit. That's fun. That is pretty cool. So I had a fake profile on Instagram, so I think I made it. And now a YouTube channel is talking about me. Really? Alright. Who was that? I'm just curious.
Mais non, la journée tu vas avoir made it, c'est quand talking option va t'inviter.
Yeah, the day talking option invite me. Now I know I'm gonna made it, you know. Yeah. Oh well. Boom, boom, boom.
Où tu passes dans le journal de Montréal?
Ouais, c'est ça.
C'est là, ben.
Celle-là, avec l'AMF. Tu comprends?
Évidemment.
Évidemment. Ouais, non.
Mon Dieu.
Ah, boy. Dun, 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 dun. All right, up to 6.4 pips. So auto break even is set at 11. So we are halfway there. Oh yeah, I need to tell a story, man. Once we are here, yeah, I gotta tell a story. Holy, I almost forgot. Yeah, so there's you remember that, because I'm trading GA now, so you remember, I think it was a week ago, if I go back to my journal, was like, here was my entry, but spread spiked up in a second when I entered, and it was like, I can't remember how many pips it was, but it was like almost 10 pips higher, you know? So it was kind of crazy, you know? I can't remember how many pips. I don't want to say anything stupid, but I need to check back in my journal. So now back to 8 pips. Hold on, let me get ready for snapping that pictures. So you know when you have a good broker, it's when they are able to be honest and admit there was an error somewhere, you know? So they actually investigated my trade and they actually realized there was a delay with the NY open market. So I don't know for what reason, but the spread spiked as soon as I entered my entry. It was like crazy. I remember, I think we were on the live stream, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, you remember that, Phil, right?
Yeah, it was a Friday.
Yeah, it was a Friday. So my win would probably like have like 10 pips higher or something like that. It was crazy. It was scary. I kind of holded the trade. It actually went my way. Actually was able to secure it still, but it was like a couple pips more. I should have grabbed, like I think it was like somewhere around 10 pips. So anyway, so I messaged my account manager. His name is Andre at Black Bull Market. And guys, if you don't know about Black Bull Market, this is, to be honest, by far the best broker I ever had. These guys right there. I got an affiliate link in my description also, which is gonna give you access to Prime account. Was gonna give you lower spread if you use that. But man, they were able to call me back, say, Sasha, you know what? We had a little glitch on our system or something happened, and I don't know why spread spiked at that time. So we are refunding you your account right now. So as I was speaking, I look at my account, boom, I saw the credit. So I was like, wow, man, that is pretty amazing. And now I'm closing back. I'm closing my trade right now because it was to 6 pips. And you know what? I'm gonna close F here. Yeah, so I'm going to close F at 0.7 pips profit because, I mean, price was at 7 pips and came back to my entry. So I'm not going to play with this. I'm going to close 50%. I'm going to let go. So, all right, let's get back to this story here. Yeah, so long story short, Black Bull, man, is amazing, man. Best. I mean, they call you, they ask you what's up, what can we improve. I mean, they're good. They're really, really, really good. To be honest, I mean, man, if you didn't experience Black Bull, man, I think you didn't experience anything as a broker. To be honest, I tried probably 10 different brokers so far, and this is by far the best one. I have affiliate link with 5 of them. I never promote any of them except Black Bull because the reason why I know for a fact those are good, legit, and honest people. So, and let me tell you, when you can find a broker like that, you feel safer, man. Because, I mean, you got your own money down there, in that brokerage. So you want to make sure it's legit. Because there's a lot of shady broker, let me tell you. There's a lot of shady broker. Man, there's a lot of broker that would have sent this. They'll be like, F you, spread was up, man. We don't know. Who cares? We got your money, right? So here was a different story. So definitely, if you're looking for good, solid, honest broker, man, give Black Bull a try because, I mean, I'm telling you, you will not regret it. They are amazing. Really, really, really amazing. Yeah. So now price back to 6 pips now. So that's good. Manage my risk. I think that's the best way to do. Manage your risk. But I have to say, I got a little scared because it spiked down pretty quickly, So I was like, oh, wait a second. Let me secure my stuff here. Boom, boom, boom. All right, so back to 7 pips now. Hey Sasha, I emailed Black Bull to see about the fee for deposit money and no reply. Yeah, oh yeah. Oh, holy. Thank you. 11.6. Yeah, because the reason they're closed right now, Luke. So that's why they probably going to answer you in the afternoon. Alright, so now auto break even just got hit. So now risk-free trading. So now let's get that 15 pips. So I'm at 11.6, so missing a tiny thing. All right, let's get it. Let's get it. Who let the dogs out? So at this point, everybody should secure profits at 10, 11 pips. Me, I'm testing something for the past 2 weeks now. I'm testing 11 pips break even and 15 pips partial TP. So now I'm at 14. Just missing a tiny push here. Let's go. 14.4, 14.6, 14.7. Can we get, oh man, 14.8. Come on. You better not do this again. There we go. Boom. There we go. So if you're on YouTube right now, let me put this and boom. Free money. Free money. So if you didn't give a like to the stream, man, do it right now. Because right now I'm throwing money at you. So yeah, this is how we do it. All right, now to 18 pips. Let's go. Let's go, boy. Let's go. This is pretty amazing. So let me do a little Instagram story here. All right. All right, trading live with the pack, 15 pips, partial TP got hit. Runners right now at 19. And this is a live account, as you can see, with the amazing Black Bull Market Broker. And we are throwing free money here. Free money is being thrown at YouTube. So trading with the pack on YouTube, make sure you're coming here. Boom, free money, baby. Oh, did it record? Oh yeah, okay. Let me mute myself for a second. I'll be right back. All right. Oh, this thing's at 22 pips. Shit, I'm gonna do more story. Price continue up when I do story, so that's good.
Es-tu juste Sacha qui attaque ça ou ben?
J'espère que non, man. Je m'efforce pour vous donner des estiques signals. Puis vous autres, vous dormez dessus. What the fuck, guys?
I think other people took it too.
Alright, that's good, man. That was pretty amazing. Yep. You know what? Close 50% at 50% at almost 1 pip. Like I think it was 0.7. Because to be honest, I got a little scared because it kind of rejected very hard. It was like setting at 7-8 pips and went straight to my entry. I was like, oh. So that's how you manage risk, guys. So I mean, yeah. So I'm pretty happy with that. Even if I close 50%, I'm happy because I was about to close my position in full And I remember, because I journaled so many times last week, I was like, do not close in full. I was about to close in full, and I closed 50% instead. And
Pas juste ça, t'avais pas attendu que ton entry candle close.
Exactement. So that's a good point. Jimmy says that's something I need to get back on it, because before I was really patient with waiting for my entry candle to close for taking an action, you know. So that was actually pretty good. So I'm going to open Black Bull account today, Sasha, using your affiliate. Enjoy. Oh, thank you. Yeah, and like I said, they're amazing. They actually called me yesterday. I think it was around like 4 or 5 p.m. So yeah, right now I think they are closed. So that's why you have no answer right now. Because they are in Netherlands, right? So yeah, so that's why. Oh, got a chart here from Jimmy. Oh, Simon, can you just please mute yourself? Thank you.
Yeah, sorry for that.
No problem, buddy. I'm just gonna set up a partial TP here at 841. So I'm gonna be closing another 50% right there. All right, so let's take a look at this chart here. This is Jimmy, 15 minutes. Oh, that's gold. Okay, that's gold. Okay. Now you're good. Okay. All right. So we got this break and retest here. All right. So look at this here. H1. Okay, H4. H4 candle. Sorry, I'm having hard. Okay, let's zoom out. My old eyes, right? So H4 candle broke and closed below previous H4 support. Okay, that's good. Support formed. Entry when the market, oh, hold on, wait a second. Resistance formed here. This was M15, M30 closed below previous support. Entry when the market broke the previous candle. I think that's where I said there's a break. Yeah.
C'était picture perfect, là.
That's good, man. Really good. Did you took that or was paper trade?
Paper trade.
Yeah, that's good. That's good, man. Very good. Yeah, I think that was pretty much around the same area I was talking about, eh? Yeah, right here, kind of. Yeah, I was saying here.
Put your chart on
15
H4.
maybe? Or H4?
You will see. Super clean.
Oh yeah, super clean H4. Wow. Super duper clean. Wow.
Et regarde, si tu check juste...
Oops, sorry.
Mon entry. Oops. Right there. H4 close below. And the nice retest with this wick form. And after that, it's just a dogtail setup on H4, M30, M15 break and retest, blah blah blah.
Man, I just want to say that runner is now at 378 pips. That is totally sick. Totally sick.
3800 pips, tu vas pouvoir mettre ça dans ton...
This shit is just retarded now.
Cette semaine, 3800 pips avec le pack.
Man, it never came up to my entry. Holy shit. Whew. This is, to be honest, that would have been my biggest trade. 378 pips. Yeah. Yeah, that is sick, man. Alright, so now what's up with GJ and GA? Okay, let's see what's up next now. Okay, so what's next now with GJ? Let's talk about that. Okay, so GJ now is in the range, right? So now we're gonna make sure we have this break now. So now we're getting close to, yeah, slowly but surely. In the next 30 minutes or so, we're gonna be able to grab maybe a dogtail setup somewhere. But we got to see, maybe price is going to come down here, form support and push up. So that's a possibility. I will not take impulse to the downside. I will only take impulse to the upside. Especially that I already have one win, so I'm gonna wait for a safer setup. And
It's a 15-minute you're looking at right now.
oh shit, that's why it was noisy like that. Thank you very much. So yes, so let's go back on the 30-minute. Thank you very much. So price came down here. Okay, perfect. You see how 15 minutes is shit? Look at this. This is bullshit. Don't look at 15 minutes, man. You're gonna kill your eyes. Alright, so now let's take a look at H1. Price came down, boom, boom. We got support here. So I think if this H1 reject the downside and start breaking this high, we can expect price to continue up to this daily resistance. Yeah, it's still a little early, but I think we should get some volume coming from the NY Open soon. Yeah, that would be the thing that would be amazing is if this doji, this 10-30 minute candle close like doji, you know, and next candle start to push. That would be amazing. Let's take a look at GA now. I mean, if you miss the move, now the runner is at, oh shit, I should have secured here at this QP though. That was the plan. I completely forgot about that. I was busy. Stops at break even. And yeah, I should have secured here. Whoops. You know what? Let's put back this partial TP here at 750. 750. 750 edit. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna leave it there. It's, where is it now? Yeah, it's gonna go. Fuck it. I'm gonna leave it there. Yeah, it's gonna go. So next partials is at 8:35. 8:35. So kind of right here. So yeah. So this is based on this H1 resistance right here. Dun, dun, dun. But this is support here. Yeah, I should have secured there. Whatever. Whatever. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's see now where we at in the YouTube chat. There, YouTube who talked about you. Oh, I read that already. Sorry about that. All right, for U.S. citizen, yeah, unfortunately, Black Bull doesn't do business in the U.S., but sorry. But I think for the U.S., you want to take a look at Trader's Domain. Big call. Oh, thank you. You are awesome, Sasha. Thank you, Hugo. Got 11 pips from GA Trade. Oh, yes. I can secure partials on my MT4. That is why I secure the full position. Thanks, Sasha and team. Oh, you're welcome, man. Welcome. Jaid, Sasha the GOAT. Oh, shit, man. The GOAT. God damn. Thanks, bro. You're still in the trade? Yes. Runner's running. Close 80% of the position so far. I mean, not true. I closed more than that because I closed 50%. 50%. So probably like around like 80. Oh, actually 90% of the position is closed right now. Yep. At this stage. So I'm done with 10%. Are you still in the trade? Okay, answer that. Okay, Karen. Karen! Oh, what's up, Karen? Are you still holding your GJ trade? Karen says, good trade, Sasha. Thank you. Qu'est-ce qui est arrivé?
Non, j'ai juste baillé.
Ok, j'ai eu peur. J'ai pensé que t'arrivais de quoi? Comme shit. Jean-Frédéric Côté, Black Bulls sont en New Zealand, Sacha. New Zealand, c'est pas. C'est pas Netherlands. Oh non, Netherlands, c'est Pays-Bas. Ouais, t'as raison, ben trop raison, Jean-Frédéric, j'étais dans le champ, ben regarde. Yeah, true, they're from New Zealand, yes. Sorry, you're totally right. Yeah, I was, I don't know. Merci Jean-Frédéric. As-tu fait le review sur eux dont tu parlais sur IG? Je sais qu'il y avait eu un problème avec quelqu'un du stream à Sacha. Et oui, c'était avec moi en fait. Oh no! Yes, I heard about that. There's someone I think on Raja's stream I think that said bad comments about Black Bull. I don't know who it was, but probably that the guy lost money because he don't know how to trade, right? It was mad at that, or there's some people who call me. It's like, yeah, man, I'm so fucking pissed. Black Bull, man, is having like 20 pips spread. I was like, yeah, what time is it now? It's like 5 p.m. Eastern. It's like, yeah, normal, you know. Market is closed, all spreads goes up, you know. Just like it's just normal, you know. So, but I'm sure you can ask to anyone that knows how to trade and how to use a broker. They will give you good comments on Black Bull. But yeah, it happened to me. I think it was last week. I entered a trade right around New York Open. At the exact second I pressed enter, and there was no news, there was nothing. My spread was like 0.8 or something like that, like let's say 1 pip. And it went up to like, I don't know, I can't remember how much it was. I think it was like 10 pips or something crazy. Went up for no reason. I was like, what the hell? So I kind of holded the trade. It actually went my way finally, was able to secure. Let me just move that stop loss into a tiny bit of profit because I just hate seeing red in my MT4. I'm kind of allergic to red. So anyways, so long story short, I sent an email. I sent an email to my account manager. So I already explained that story, but I'm just going to repeat it for people that just joined. So basically, I sent an email to my account manager, Andre. Shout out to Andre, man. He's the best. He's fucking awesome. They investigated on it, and you know what? They came up and said, "Hey, man, it was a mistake on our hand. We totally apologize. If you look at your account, you're gonna see a credit there." So I look as I was speaking. Poop! I saw the credit appear in my MT4 account. I was like, "Wow, that's amazing." And yeah, man, that's how you can tell those guys are really, really honest. You know, so. They're not gonna try to get your money out of you. They don't get me wrong, guys. People that thinks that brokers are there to rip you off, yes, there are some shady one, of course, right? But most of them, there are some really good brokers out there. They don't want you to lose money, because if you lose money and you kill your account, they cannot make money anymore because they make money on spread and on commission. So if you stop trading, they're not making money anymore. So they want you to win. They don't want you to lose. So people that thinks that they are some stop hunt. I mean, come on, guys. I mean, that's the same people that believes in Santa Claus. I mean, it's just like, come on. That doesn't exist, right? So anyways. So long story short, Black Bull is dope, man. Just, that's the only thing I have to say. Fait qu'en français, Jean-Frédéric, principalement, là, ben simple, je te dirais que Black Bull m'ont réglé mon problème. Ça a pris quelques jours. Ils ont demandé à leur équipe technique d'investiguer là-dessus. Ils sont arrivés avec la conclusion comme quoi il y avait vraiment eu une erreur de leur côté. Puis ils m'ont remboursé. Aucun problème, aucune question. J'ai envoyé un email. J'ai pas eu besoin de m'ostiner. J'ai pas eu besoin de faire grand-chose. Bam, ils m'ont rappelé, c'était réglé. Fait que c'est vraiment parfait à ce niveau-là. Currency pair says 378, time for Lambo. Oh yeah, about that gold trade. Yeah, no, Lambos, I don't know about Lambos. I like those. This is my Lambo right there. This is my Lambo right there.
You see all these products?
Oh, shut up, dude. So this is my Lambo. This is my Lambo right there.
Insane.
That is a true Lambo, bro. Fuck Lambo. This is the shit. Now we're talking.
Damn.
Now we're talking. This is real. Now we're talking. Lambos are for kids. Yeah, I'm too old now. You know.
How expensive is an RV?
I've seen us review some more.
Oh, this one's probably around like probably around like 6 or 800,000.
Wow.
You can buy 2 Lambos with that. Look at this. Look at the roof. This is crazy.
McLarens are for men.
Yeah, McLaren is dope. But you know what? Now I'm falling in love with that new Aston Martin, man. I'm falling in love with that new Aston Martin. But this thing is just, hold on, let's fast forward this. This is the motors. Look at the inside. Look at this.
It looks like a freaking hotel in there.
I mean, look at this. Look. Whoa. Whoa. Look at this. Oh, whoa. Look at this. You know? Yeah, that shit is real, man. Yeah. This is solid, man. So anyways. Yeah, so this is the dream goal. So but I'm car wise though, I have to say I am falling in love with that. My baby from all time was always the this was always been my car. This one. This is the Benz. No, this is not. What? No, this is the GT. Yeah, this one. This one, the GT AMG. You know. So this is the car. But now I'm really falling in love with this baby. Oops, wrong side. With this baby right here. What time is it now? 7:37. Okay. So yes. International side. So this is the new baby here. That new vintage from Aston Martin. It is sick. It is just sick. Yeah, Explorer. Look at this baby. It's like a rocket ship. Shit. So yeah, anyways, so no Lambos. Let's see. Let's see here. Okay, let's go back to the chat. Opinion on inside bars. You name is morning. Oh, I was like morning Shasha. I was like, I look at the name. I was like, hey, what's up, Clay? Morning, man. Thank you. All right. Don't ask me because oh, I believe in Claus. Oh, no, you don't believe in Santa Claus, bro. Come on. Your analysis on GJ. I just did it. What's the engine on it? I have no clue. Oh, on the Aston Martin or on the RV. Buy one and join Canadian friends in Florida. Yes, that's it. That's a goal, man. That's why I want to. So I don't want to buy a sports car, right? So this is just something maybe one time, but this is really what I want. This baby right here. It's fucking stupid ad. Yeah, this baby. I think I'm gonna take a picture of that. Yeah, this baby right there. Oh shit. Can you see the outside? I'm gonna frame that. Yeah, right here. That baby. Now we're talking. Now I can drive into this. I'll go see Clay. We'll go fishing. Yeah, that's it, man. Yeah, that shit is real. Anyways, I gotta stop looking at it. V12 Vanquish. Oh yeah. Sweet. I like my vet and old F-150 with a 4-speed inline 6. Well, yeah, the Corvette, the new Corvette are really nice also, to be honest. I never really was a vet guy, but I have to say the new Corvette are really nice. F-150, man, you gotta try them in a Ram, man. Ram is real. Ram is real. Come on, bro. Yeah, I love my Ram, man. That truck is crazy. Crazy fast too, man. That sports Ram, I know how they geared it. Has to be geared differently because I had a Ram before, and let me tell you, this is nothing compared to it. It's just like it's crazy, 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 crazy. Porsche GT3 RS all the way. I've never been a fan of Porsche. I don't like the round nose. Just like I don't know. I never really liked Porsches. To be honest. GJ Golden Zone approaching. Oh, maybe. So GA. So this runner is running now. So partial was set at 15 pips. Now this runner is set to around like 30 pips. So I'm just waiting to hit that zone. And if I see that I'm having problem breaking this QP here, I'm probably going to secure some more, but we'll see. Now I'm at 20 pips now, 22 pips. So I'll let it go. What about GJ? GJ is, oh, yes, sweet, perfect. This is amazing. Now we're talking about. Because, man, buying here make no sense, you know? Buying a top, just like this, I don't know. Now price melt, came down in our golden zone, so now we got some room, you know? So now we got some room. That is pretty dope. Patience pay, guys. And fuck 15 minutes. Fuck 15 minutes, man.
Why is it that you have your golden zone there? Can you show me why you have the fib?
Oh shit, now you're scaring me. Did I did a mistake? Okay.
No. I just wondering why it's not from like the bottom push, you know, lower than that.
Oh, here. Oh, here's this candle is a break of structure here. So the push is right here, from there to there.
And what was the break of structure?
This candle broke the low, you know?
Gotcha.
So this candle form a new low here.
I see.
Yeah.
Sasha,
Is that more clear?
Yeah.
Ryan, is it more clear?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay. If you need another example, let me know. So I just want to make sure it's clear for everyone. Need to take care of those students. What's up, Francesco?
If you can answer my question on the chat, please.
Oh yeah, sure. Francesco, all right, let's take a look here. Oh shit, I missed a lot of message. Okay, let me go back up a little bit here. Sasha, I open Prime account? Is that what you're using? Oh yes. Automatically when you use my link, when you use the affiliate link, you're gonna be upgraded to Prime account automatically, Malcolm. Ask them to go on MT4. Okay, MT5. I don't know. Still having some issues. You know, it was for me it was laggy, so that's why I highly suggest going MT4. I'll do some more tests with MT5 later on, and but right now I'm still using MT4 and it's been super fluid. So, yeah. All right. So Sasha, sorry I was away. You took GA trade. Oh yes. Limbours are for kids. McLaren are for men. Yeah, I love McLarens also, to be honest. Can I ask you why you didn't expect for break and retest as you said? Thanks as usual. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's answer that. So yes, I was looking for break and retest on 30 minutes. But when I flipped to H1, I was like, oh, wait a second. So we have a nice support form breaking that H4 resistance and closing a tiny bit above. That's the only thing that got me a little nervous. It was not a strong close above that QP. And as you look at 30 minute, it was closing above this resistance also, like a tiny thing above, right? But you can say almost on it. So that was the only thing that got me a little worried. But yeah, on H1 it was a nice engulfing candle, so I think that was a pretty good confirmation here, breaking above H4 support. You can expect like continuation to the upside, right? So, but I only took a smaller entry, and the reason why is actually I was thinking of having a retest here and push back up again. So I would have probably entering the rest of my position on the retest, but it never happened. So so that position went to 22 pips profit so far. So, and now it's retracing back down. So now it's at 7 pips.
Thanks, Sash.
You're welcome. So I'm probably gonna be closing that runner right now. It's closing. You know, it's a new 15 minutes starting. Let's see. Yeah. So are we getting that retest on 15 minute? Look like it. Look like I'm gonna get stopped at break even. Well, actually at 1 pip profit, but still at 5 pips now. We'll see. We will see. But look like we're gonna have a second opportunity if we have a break and retest. Gold now, not gold. What am I saying? GJ. So that orange line. Sorry about that. Is my safety net on the fib level. So if we break this, I mean, there's no coming back up. Man, allergies are killing me. All right, so let's see here. GJ Golden Zone approaching. Keep going. US 30. Oh, is that finally dropping? I don't know. I didn't look at the US. I never looked at the US 30. Just curious. Let's take a look, just for fun. Oh, finally dropping. The US 30 is way too wild for me. I'm not that wild. Do you think GG will reject on Golden Zone? Probably. And maybe not too. We'll see. We will see. But most of the time it's respected. Mustang GT 500 Cobra. Yeah, Mustangs are really nice. Yeah. My ex-wife had a Mustang. It was nice to drive. I had the Titan. Oh, 15 seconds, a quarter mile. Really? It's pretty good, man. Controller FX bought and lost. Oh, yeah. I mean, oh well. He loves me. Oh. Someone said FX like my controller FX is a joke. I don't know the guy, so I have no clue. Yeah, I know, no clue. I don't know the guy. All right. 139 likes. Man, we should get to 150. I'm pretty sure we can get to 150. Let's do a last push here on the likes. Let's smash that like button, guys. Let's give a little last push. Let's get to 150. So again, this GJ is just melting right now. Holy. So we want to make sure we respect this safety net here. And we'll see. Need to go earlier today. See you tomorrow, les poulettes. Alright, bonne journée Marc-Antoine Marois. Bonne journée la moustache. Ou le moustachu. You know?
C'est plus la moustache.
Non, mais j'aime bien le moustachu.
Il y a quelqu'un en dessous de la moustache.
Ouais, j'aime bien le moustachu. Je trouve que ça sonne funky un peu.
Non, c'est sûr.
All right, all right. Wow, what's up with that? Do we have news? Hold up, wait a second.
No, well, FOMO double top, right? So, what's up? 1, 2, 150, a big zone.
Yeah, nothing tonight. Okay. Tomorrow, though. Tomorrow.
If there are some people that attempt some sales on GU, be very careful because we are at a strong support level.
GU.
Big, but be careful.
Boom, boom, boom. Ta 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 ta. Why saying what? Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Hey, tu peux pas dire que je t'aime pas, Jimmy, là. J'ai fait des QP juste pour toi, man.
Bro, tu devrais le checker plus souvent, tu verrais que ça. En tout cas.
Alright, so let's take a look at this shit. Mais en plus, US, il y a des nouvelles, là, par exemple. C'est ça que je regardais, là.
Yep.
Ouais, c'est ça. Fait ici.
Mais rien de. Rien qui va bien faire bouger.
I have to open the terminal.
Terminal.
It's always open.
Nice. Come on, GG. Reject the shit. Alright.
Easy.
Thanks a lot for the... Susan, thanks a lot for this live, YouTube. May God bless you. Oh, thank you very much, Susan. Thank you. Hey, this is my ringtone when my wife calls. That's actually a good one. That or Jaws, right? You know, you're at the strip club and you hear down. You're like, oh shit, where is she? That's funny.
Yeah, so if people take sales at the break, you got stuck right now.
On GU?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I would
So
wait.
obvious.
I would wait, to be honest. I would wait here because this is, look at this.
Ah, mais mets-toi sur ton H1, H4, là, c'est. Check ça.
Oh, I know, c'est ça. That 500 QP is really strong. Look at this. Bang.
Ah oui, ça va aller. right there, previous structure. Si on monte, si on flip bullish, c'est le début si c'est le début de la nouvelle trend bullish, mettons H4, H1, ici c'est la zone où le marché va venir retest.
So, well, je pense que if you have a break and retest, maybe, but not on the impulse here, because pretty sure price can reverse up, right? But we're in a downtrend here on GU though.
Hier, c'est pas ça que tu disais.
Oh no, we're on an uptrend. Sorry. I need to look at the bigger picture. Yeah, we are uptrend.
Ouais, mais
yeah,
ça commence à flip bearish.
We need when we're gonna break this low here.
Ah, for sure.
Now it's going down.
Man.
I mean, even if we break this low here, this shit's gonna reverse to the downside.
Ouais. Ici, c'est où on a reverse, c'est un previous huge weekly resistance. Et où ce que ça reverse en haut. Puis ensuite de ça, c'est juste des lower high and lower low. En plus, on a une consolidation ici, si tu reviens. Là.
En 4 heures?
On a une huge consolidation ici, puis c'est les pairs qui ont gagné après ça. Puis en ce moment, c'est plus. Ce que je vois, c'est plus un retest de cette structure-là, de ce point-là, que tout break en fait. Le huge support ici. Mais seule affaire qui m'inquiétait, c'est que si on est encore dans le bull market, mettons plus daily H4, mais mettons plus daily, on s'entend, ça pourrait être justement un fake out, mettons higher time frame, ce qui se passe ici, pour sortir des gros sorts ou whatever. Puis ça ici, en ce moment, c'est comme ça pourrait être la nouvelle structure bullish. On monte, retest, puis on vient créer des hauts de plus en plus hauts. Fait que c'est pour ça que j'ai pas pogné mon sales, même si c'était clean traffic.
Ouais. Non, ça fait du sens. Ça fait vraiment du sens.
Parce que le daily, on s'entend que le daily reste quand même bullish. Fait qu'il faut faire attention puis attendre vraiment que ces points bas-là se fassent break.
Ouais, non, c'est ça, exact. Ouais, c'est ça. Non, absolument. Absolument.
Yep.
All right. So this trade is just, I don't know, playing. It came back to 1 pip. I think 1.6 pip. Really got close to stopped out at 1 pip. Because I moved my stop loss at 1 pip profit just because I'm allergic to red. Yeah, now just playing there. So let's take a look at GJ. GJ 1 hour is about to close in 2 minutes. So this thing should close bearish. Obviously in this golden zone, looking at 30 minutes. Yes, same thing. So now we're gonna need, if this closes like this, we're gonna need the next candle to print bullish, and I think we're gonna be able to take a nice buy here. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Let's go. Hey, that is my or your wallet's about to go light. Yeah, true that, man. Or your wallet's about to get lighter. Yes, if you get trapped in this strip club, man, and you're married, man, get ready to go bankruptcy. Yeah, I don't go to strip clubs, so I'm good. Just about to get stopped here. 1.5, 1.2. Whoa, shit! I'm so gonna get stopped on this. I am so gonna get stopped on this. Alright, so look at GG. Alright, so GG had the last push here. Still respecting this safety net so far. We didn't break it, so still looking good. Man, that GA trade, I'm telling you, that wick is sitting on my stop. As for GJ, now we need a bullish candle. Oh, and I'm stopped. 1 pip profit. All right. So I guess the GA trade is gone. But the cool thing with GA now is now we have a nice break and retest possible. Or let's take a look at this here. Boop. So that's the other option also, which is also going to be a break and retest of this resistance, also this QP, also in this golden zone at 30 minutes. And yeah, let's see. We got a couple plays possible in the next hour or so. About to buy some oil. Yeah, I don't buy oil. The only oil I buy is to put in my truck. So, I don't know. What do you think about ICT? Nothing. Don't know them. Simo the Kingdom. What I did just watch. What I did just watch. That is a good question. What did you just watch? I don't know. What did you just watch? All right. 142 likes, man. Man, we cannot end the stream 8 likes shy from 150. Come on. Come on. What time is it? Now it's 8 o'clock. All right, 8 o'clock. So now we're going to get some NY open volume. Hey, Malcolm, have a great day, man. Going to hit the gym? Awesome. Yeah, I'm going to do my training right after. Because, yes, we have a 90-day challenge with our students also, so the challenge says, let me put the Discord here. What's up with the challenge here? 90-day challenge. So let's go on top here. Actually, I should do this post as a pin post, actually. Oh, it is. Is it? Oh, it is. All right, guys, welcome to the pack challenge. No more 15-minute entries. 3 trade max. If 2 lost in a row, move to the next day. 15 minutes of training every day. 15-minute reading or audiobook, personal growth. Eating better, less alcohol. Move stop loss to break even after 11 pips or secret profits. Drink more water. Here. Looking at your why every morning before getting to the chart. You know, when we did one-on-one, we established that with students. 10 to 15 minutes for yourself. Practicing a sport you love, hobby, video game, walking with the dog, whatever. But you need a me time, you know. So this is really important to have a real balance in life, you know. So this is really, really important. So I think that was it. And that was me getting very overweight, you know. Yeah, I'm jumping in that balance. I'm like, dude, are you, man, that balance fucked. It's like,
The balance is fucked.
the balance is fucked, though. The balance says like 190. I was like, what the fuck, dude? The balance is fucked. The balance is rigged. Change your battery, something's wrong. Something is wrong. Look at this fat ass. Holy, man. Can you believe I lost 20 pounds last year and almost gained it all back because I'm too lazy. It would be easy to blame it on the pandemic and blah blah blah, but this is all me, you know. This is all me being stupid and retarded. Anyways, Iron Man, I just liked the stream 8 times for you. Oh man, thank you, bro. So Clay has like 10 different accounts. All right, 151. All right, yoo-hoo, we got it. Awesome, thank you guys. Thank you.
Hey bro.
Hey, what's up, Das?
Yeah, actually I just taking my trades like I taken on pound Aussie. So I'm just realized that I'm little bit struggling with the intersection and overall direction of the trade.
The what? I missed what you said. Sorry, man.
Actually I just take my trade on pound Aussie.
Yep.
I have taken 2 trades, 1 win and 1 loss. And the pound Aussie was on like I managed it 50%. But I taken the trade as I think I sent the group, so it was almost a counter trade. Like so, I am a bit struggling with the overall trend and the intersection like trend.
Nice. But you took a trade in London session also, right? That's what you said?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
And did you took this GA trade or you took one in London session?
No, GA. I taken the short. I said that if you go to the GA.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So for me, this was a new low been made, and I draw my fee here, and here I have been taken after this sell. Like I did anything wrong or I missed anything.
Oh, about that? Oh yeah. Well, yeah. I think something you might be missing on this. It was the reversal pattern. So you had a whoops. Hold on. Wait a second. So you had a reversal pattern right here, and you were breaking this neckline right here. So I think that was the thing you maybe missed. So reversal pattern means you're changing trend, right? So yeah. So that's probably the only thing you missed in there. But if this wasn't there, it would probably made sense though.
Okay.
And the other thing also, if you look, the other thing also is if you look this golden zone here, this is H4. This is a H4 golden zone.
Yeah. Okay, so that what I'm like saying that like identifying the overall trend and the intersection trend. Like I am like more, I'm looking to more to the intersection trend and getting attracted to it, and I'm getting wrong footed.
Yeah, that's fine. You know, I mean, getting wrong one time is not a problem. The only thing you need to make sure is you journal it, you know, take your notes, and make sure this doesn't happen again. You know, that's it. Man, I'm still making tons of mistakes, you know, just like, but I'm learning every day. You know, I'm still learning every day. This is a long learning process, guys. If you think, some people think they're gonna become like, they're gonna start making crazy money after like a couple months. I'm telling you, it's not gonna happen. You know, it's gonna take a year. It's gonna take 2 years, 3. I don't know. You know, it all depends different for everyone. But yeah, I think you're getting there, Das. I mean, your analysis are getting stronger every single day that you trade. You send charts. It's getting stronger and stronger. I think that goes for everyone in the group. To be honest, everyone's getting stronger every day. So, which is pretty cool, man. I like to see that. This is my biggest paycheck, is to see you guys evolve in this. And man, the thing that drives me is when you send me charts that, hey man, I never seen that before, but now since the course I see that and that. I was like, wow man, that's amazing. You know, you guys are catching up pretty fast, man. Pretty fast. So that's pretty good, man.
Yeah.
32 accounts. Holy. Steve, great job today. Catch on you Thursday. Yes, for sure. And don't forget, Wednesday night, Forex talk over a beer. So we're gonna go over trades. We're gonna go over Q&As, and this Wednesday, yeah, we're gonna have a specific subject. I think I'm gonna do a vote on Instagram to see what you want me to talk about. And probably Friday, I'm gonna try to have a guest on Forex talk over beer. So that should be interesting. Oh, we got Clay sending a chart here for GA. All right, let's take a look. Let's take a look here. Oops. Just enter a sell on GA, stop above. Yeah, it's probably gonna come down over here. But GA sell. I don't know, Clay. I'm not sure. I see what he's saying, but if this thing breaks that golden zone, probably. But I don't know. I don't know about that one. I'm not so sure because we're trending up, so. Let's put this orange. Maybe, but yeah, if we fail creating a new high here, that's gonna be a problem for sure. It might come down, but I see this as a reversal pattern. Looking at a high time frame, price came up, came down to form support to continue push up. I don't know. I'm not sure about that one. I'm not sure. But it's possible. I'm not saying it's not possible. All right. What else? Just a pattern. So just a number. Oh yeah, I know. I mean, if you know that if you tried it and you backtested many times and most of the time it worked, and some of them will not work and some of them will work, and the important thing is most of them works, right? So I mean, that's it. But yeah, I mean, on that kind of setup, yes, you got to go with the numbers. And if you stop taking it, the problem is now you're taking numbers out of the equation. So you got to take them all for the equation to be working, right? So it makes sense. Let's take a look at J. Copy here. Here is GJ 30 minutes. All right, so we identified that we are trending up, so that's good. Target 152 QP for sure, definitely. 152 is a daily resistance, right? Wait for a strong close for entry. Awesome, this is a very good idea here. Very, very good idea here. Yep, so I'm waiting for the same thing here.
I like it, man. It looks good. If it closes close to that, it'd be a nice play.
Yeah.
Hey bro, I have one question on position management.
You got what, sorry?
One question on position, like managing the position, how you manage.
Cool.
There's a question.
On GA?
Any trade, like you have the target for the 11 piece auto stop loss and 15 piece parcel. For example, today I taken two entry. For example, you taken one entry here at the initial close of the candle and second entry after the little retracement. So, like which one you calculate? 11 piece, this candle or this candle?
Yeah, that's a good question. I always put my auto break even or partial TP based on my worst entry, which is my first entry. All right. So if I enter on the opening candle, so my auto break even, my partial TP is going to be set from this entry. So that's going to be 15 pips. So let's say, just to give you an example, here. So let's say I enter here, right, and I set up 15 pips. and let's say the stop is over here. This is just an example, right? So I have a 10 pip stop loss and a 15 pip gain on that first entry. Let's say now that I enter a second entry and I enter here, okay? So I'm gonna just put the line late right here. So stop now, this stop is at 4 pips and, oops. So 4 pips and same profit now is at 20 pips, you know? So I'm risking less, gaining more using dynamic risk. Make sense?
Yeah, okay, yeah. Got it. What I did today actually in GJ, today I have taken the trade on this candle, right? But this candle actually, after moving to some 8 pips, it came down to retrace to my entry after 11 pips, right? Then it goes up. So what I was waiting, one position was entered here and second was entered here. So one position was hit break even, and this second entry I didn't close at break even. I was waiting for the candle to close. So yeah, so that was my concern, like how you do it. So
Yeah. Okay, that's good. That's good. Good question. Very nice, strong bullish candle here. Pretty nice, pretty nice. I think GA probably gonna form support here, rejecting that golden zone on 30-minute also. With volume, we should be able to break this minor resistance and fill that H1 wick.
They're both rejecting the golden zone very well. GJ, if it goes like this, it's over. You can't enter. Like, it's too much. But GA would be nice. GJ is has moved too much, but GA would be perfect.
Well, it's not so bad. This is going to be a 15 pip stop loss. Not bad, not bad. And we can expect volume to break this. We're right in the NY open volume, so.
I think GA has more.
And this is also a break and retest of this minor resistance here on 30-minute. So pretty good.
Is there news at 8:30? Yes, there is now.
Hey, you are the Bloomberg guy.
I'm gonna open it.
Why are you asking me? You're the smart one here.
hey bro, is Simon is present here? Like he is talking about like hosting the Zoom for London. He was taking interest.
Yeah, I'm gonna send him the password, and he's gonna be able to set it up.
Yeah, Sasha, can you send it to me and to Kitish at the same time? Sometimes I don't woke up. So
Yeah, whatever. You know, I send it to both of you.
I do my best to woke up, yeah. So, but
We did today. We did Simon hosted it, and I only joined. So we two did good session it was. So like we also announced that like anybody interested from tomorrow onwards, like Simon will host and we can do it.
Yeah, that's fine. That's perfect. So I'll send it to both of you guys, and whoever's up, you open up the Zoom, and that's it.
Yeah.
I'll give you the password. I'll give you the password and everything.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, now I think we have like five or six-ish people trading London, so I think that's worth it. All right, so that's good. That's good. Wednesday, what time? Oh, Susan, if you go on, you are on YouTube, right? So if you are on YouTube, you go to here, and you see here on the banner, you have the schedule. So live trading session, 5:30 a.m. Eastern on Tuesday and Thursdays, and Forex Talk Over a Beer on Wednesday and Friday at 6 p.m. Eastern. Right here. I like Mac. When you move fast the mouse, it gets the arrow big. I don't know. I guess I'm a kid, right? I'm old but a kid. Yeah. That is so rare. This is one of the first time I open my Instagram. I have no message. It's
Let me
kind.
change that real quick.
That is kind of exciting. Usually I have like a shitload of message to answer. Phew, that's pretty good. Awesome. Oh man, 7. The worst thing is getting a question. Let's put this. And I think is it Jade? I don't know. You recognize yourself. So anyways, so people are being lazy. And when I say lazy, I'm being about freaking lazy. Okay, I'm gonna give you an example here. Okay, so let's go on Instagram, right? So Instagram. I'll tell you how lazy is people. So I get a message. It said, "Hey, what time is your stream tomorrow?" And if you look at my story, and especially that the guy answered my story. Oops, fuck. Sorry. So the guy answered this story and asking me for the time I stream. And if you look at the previous story, look at this. I mean, really?
What did you answer?
No, I was like, I don't answer those questions when the answer is in my freaking story. And if you do a little research, you go, oh, let me go on Sasha's stream. Okay, so this is how you find answer to your question, guys. Okay, so let me go. Let's say, oh, this guy is okay. So this is his. Oh shit, the schedule is right here. And let's say the schedule is not there. Let's take a look at what time he does start his session usually. Oh, 4 days ago. Okay, let me go. Let me play this video. All right, what time is at the bottom of the stream? Here on top of the stream. All right. Oh, this one we started late because it was like vacation time, so this is not a good idea. But usually, I mean, you open this live, you look at the time. Oh, 5:30, 6:30. You know. So 5:30, yes, 5:30. So I mean, you got your answer right there. So, I mean, you can do a little research before asking questions, guys. If you don't find your answer, now you ask questions. You know? But, man, if you're being lazy on this, I will tell you, you will not make it in this industry. Because, man, let me tell you, being lazy is going to get your fucking account blown. Because if you're lazy, you're not going to journal. You're not going to study. You're not going to backtest. You're not going to put the time that you need to put on the chart, you know? So that was my little slap on the hand. Sasha, you can we enroll with you for the stream every day? Yes. It's very simple. It's here. It's FX Dogs Academy.com. Boom. Right here. So yep. So that is a full access to everything. So in this, you have. Let me go back to the English one. Because I have French and English, right? So hold on. Wait a second. Where's that page? Let me start up a new page here. Open in a new window. let's open up in a new. Opening up this. Let's do this. FX Dogs Academy.com. That should work. There we go. It's because I'm logged in my Teachable. That's why it was not working. All right, so you go to join the pack here and you select the bundle. So you take English, let's say. You'll see here, enroll now, and you'll see here you got lifetime access to future update, one-on-one consultations, private group training, access to virtual trading floor. That is every day, live trading session, right? So yeah, so you get access to everything. So it's a all inclusive. It comes with a drink also. So send me your address, I'll send you a drink. So I send you a pina colada. Let me tell you, when it gets home, it's gonna be well shaked. So yeah, so that's how you do it. But I don't have plan just for this. Where's my chart now? Oh, here. So yeah, so I don't have plan just for the stream, because for me it doesn't make sense to. This is my opinion. It doesn't make sense just for the stream, because I mean you're gonna be watching at this and you're not gonna be knowing all the basics, right? And especially if I host something just for the stream, selling stream. What, I'm gonna sell it what, 125, 150, you know, a month. I mean, after 3 or 4 months, you're already way over that cheap ass price to get the all inclusive, right? So I mean, it doesn't make sense. So yeah, so that's why I decided to do something quite cheap, to be honest, because I'm not doing it for the money. I don't give a shit. I got money, but and I'm not saying that to be bragging. It's just I don't need that. The only reason why I did put a price there is just because I don't want to lose my time also. I want to do it with serious people and people wants to do it, you know? And let me tell you, even with a price like this, I still have people that doesn't show up and, you know, do their own thing. So I might probably going to be increasing the price, to be honest, you know? Because I think this thing is way too cheap. So I'm probably going to be increasing the price very soon. I don't know yet. I'm going to have to reflect on that, but it's probably a possibility. It's way too low for what it is, and I want some more serious people, so probably gonna be raising the price. I don't know when, but we'll see. Been there but didn't saw reference to the stream thing. Been there but oh yeah, it all comes with it. Sorry. Maybe I was lazy. No, it was hidden. You know, this one was hidden, so that's okay. Yeah. Many thanks. Oh, you're welcome, Hugo. I totally understand. Makes sense to be rewarded a bit for your time. Yeah, I mean, it's not. Yes, it's a part of that, but you know, it's just I want to do it because I want to help people mostly. You know, I want to make sure. I actually got one guy that actually sent him his payment back, you know, because he was, you know, it was like he was 1 day in or 2 days in, and the guy was trying to do it his way, and I was like, dude, why? You know, why? So I was like, what's your email? It's like, why? It's like, what's your email? So he gives me his email, and he texts me 30 minutes later, why are you sending me back my money? I was like, because I blocked you and I don't want you here, you know, just like, I don't need that money, so I don't care, you know. It's just if I feel like I'm gonna kick you because you're being stupid, I'm gonna kick you, you know. So, anyways, long story short, I totally understand. Makes sense. Okay, perfect. Yes. So yeah. So you go, man. You're more than welcome. And if you want to join the pack, you'll see we have a pretty amazing community. We're starting to get some testimonials there, so it's pretty cool, man. And we're just getting started, right? It's been like a month and a half, I think. So month and a half, and doing pretty well. I mean, the students are already doing pretty well, to be honest. So yeah, pretty good. Controller just made fun of me. What should I do? Oh man, I wish people just can do their own thing. Stop being childish, you know. Just, man, people just start focusing on their own shit, you know. So I don't know why why he's talking about you. Why, I don't know, why is everybody talking about everybody? I don't talk about anyone. That's why I'm not getting in trouble with anyone.
Make an entry on GA live.
Oh shit, thank you.
You done me.
Thank you. Yeah, GA 30-minute looking pretty good. So I think I'm gonna give that trade another go. Open calc, let's see here. This is a, yeah, that should go right. Let's go. So grab a small entry again on like at one. Oh shit, I didn't fix that. Look. So I took 1%, but I think if price goes down, I'll grab another %. So I guess this trade is done now. So now new trade coming on here around. Whoops, wrong tool. So here and stop right around here. Target's gonna be 15 pips as usual, and partial TP set at 15. Auto break even at 11. There we go. And let's take a look at GJ. GJ is looking pretty good also. Open calc. Oof, that's 20 pips on GJ. And I didn't.
I love GJ. I like GA. GA's clean.
Yeah. If price retraces down on GJ, I might grab a small entry, but
GJ?
yeah. But it's way too tight of this resistance. That's why I don't like. So I like GA better. All right. So let's see. Can we break that minor resistance with volume? Let's see. All right. So I'm coming from Wigs Don't Lie. Somehow it's not working for me, and I follow it for 1 year now. Not working for me. Oh, okay. I mean, sometimes, you know, I'm gonna give you an example. When I was a kid, I mean, I always give the same example. I know some people heard that, but I always give the same example. When I was younger, I had a math teacher, right? And I was about to fail that class because, I mean, I was not getting it. I don't know, maybe the way she was explaining it or something or whatever, you know. And she had to leave for I always messed up this name, this word, pregnancy relief. Is that how you say that? Maternity.
She got pregnant. She had to leave.
Yeah. Anyways, you got that right. So, anyways, the new teacher came in, and man, everything went well, and I passed that class. I mean, I didn't get like 90%, you know, but I was doing pretty well, like in the 70s, and I was like pretty happy because I was about to fail. So sometimes just some ways that people explain stuff, sometimes you understand more. There's a little something that will make you click, and that will make the difference. So I think that's why it's very important to have different teacher, coach in different sports or different thing you're trying to learn, because you're going to get something, you know, out of it. That's why I invested like thousands of dollars in myself into learning from different coaches, finally finding what I was missing, and I put all the pieces together, and I did my own thing, right? So I took a little ingredients from everyone, you know, a little bit of ingredients for all those teachers, and I did my own recipe, right? So I think that's what's good about it. Oh, I totally get you. I'm a math teacher. Here we go, man. What was the chance? What was the chance of that?
Wow.
That's pretty good. That's actually pretty good. Yeah, so, I mean, you get that, right? So, I mean, yeah, sometimes just a little something to make you click and, you know, it goes your way. So, it's not because it's not working for you. It might be just missing a little spark, a little something, you know? All right, I'm out, guys. I'm done for the day with a win. Y'all be safe. All right, good job, man. Yeah, dogs are getting some wins. Who is that? Huh.
Sasha,
Oh, Elisa, how are you?
on this
No, that one was basically I waited. Took this entry on the opening of the candle, so basically waited for support to be formed in the golden zone, right? So this price came up, came down, rejecting the golden zone, formed support above this 500 QP. So I'm expecting now volume to break this minor resistance and go to the next QP at least, you know, for 750.
Okay.
So yes, no, this one was not a dogtail setup. Dogtail setup will be, let's say I wait for price to come down, create that wick, and once it break the high, I enter.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yes.
Awesome. Happy birthday again.
Thank you.
Okay, so now here's the tricky question. Oh no,
Thank
shit.
you.
Shit, my mom always told me you cannot ask that to a woman. Yeah, so I'm not gonna ask you.
That's okay.
All right, all right. It's the defined rules. Oh yeah. So, anyways, man. I mean, you go. I mean, if you're curious about it, send me a DM. I can answer pretty much all your question. And yeah. Zarif, her age is 19. So how the hell do you know that? That is scary.
No.
That is scary. Elisa, I think you got someone stalking you.
I'm 33.
You're 33? Oh, wrong guess, Zarif. Wrong guess.
If you want to take another entry slash
What?
on GA, if you want to take another entry, you wait down a little bit.
Yeah, wick down, but not that much. If I want another entry, I want to wick down a little, you know, like right around here. I will grab another entry. Especially we broke previous high, so now we need to form that bottom wick and push back up. So. Boom, boom, boom. Looking at each one. We should fill this wick.
Yeah, at 20 minutes after 4-hour close.
Yep. Da, 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 da.
Simon was eating this morning. Check the chat.
The chat?
The Discord.
Oh yeah, I'll check after for sure.
Simon had a crazy morning.
Simon is eating pips, man.
Yeah, actually, I'm not sharing, guys. Sorry for that, but because I'm trading on demo account now,
That's
so
good.
I don't want to confuse you and make you lose. But gold was trending very nice, so I was able to grab around 70 pips.
Nice.
Simon, you are on fire, man.
Yeah, it's because of you guys. You are pushing me very in the good, the right direction, especially Sasha.
That's good, man. Good job, bro. Oh man, look
Yeah,
at
I'm
this.
very confident day after day.
What about rest, man?
What about
Not me, man.
my London partner.
What about Francesco? I thought we were all pushing you.
Yeah, Francesco as well. Everybody.
Man, that's what you talk like about, like risk reward ratio. This shit, dude, that runner is running like crazy right now. Holy. This is insane. Man, I think I can buy that RV just with that trade. Yes.
Come on.
That is sick. Yeah, GA is shy a little bit.
I went 4 pips. That's the highest I went.
Yeah, now the bottom wick is done, so we should start pushing up. There we go. Let's go, baby. Let's go, GA. Oh, I think Mark, the stash is in GA also, if I'm not wrong.
Let's go. La stash is present.
Boom, 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 boom. Jaid, no, I'm not. I'm not in a gold trade. It was a paper trade. It was a paper trade. This one, but yeah, it never came very close to my entry. I mean, that one wick came really close to my entry, to my stop loss. I mean, but after that, man, it just smelt. So I would definitely journal that on how I analyze that, and yeah, maybe it will serve me in the future, maybe if I decide to trade gold one day. But yeah, I think that was pretty good.
So Sasha, can I ask you something?
Yeah, sure.
I am a GA trade too, but I can see that there isn't enough room, as you say, usually, because the resistance is so near to our entry.
Yep.
Right? So you expect your entry based on the New York SC volume.
Correct.
So in this case, you don't care about the tiny.
Yeah, I'm expecting the volume to be able to break this zone.
Okay.
Because when zone are broken, most of the time when zone are broken is when there's volume in the market, right? So NY open, NYSC, London close, London open, Asian open. So usually in those specific time, you'll see those H4 resistance, those H1 resistance. You know, it's gonna be broken, right? So that's why I'm expecting price to be able to break it now. So
if you are in another time, you didn't take this entry.
no, exactly. If it was a little I grabbed a second entry, by the way. If it was a little earlier, I would not have taken this, because I mean the range made no sense. The range is like 5 pips, like 6 pips, you know. So doesn't make sense. Yeah. No, that's a good question.
Yeah, Saj, can you look at GG real quick for a second?
Sure.
On the 30 minute. It's crazy how that dog tail so if it breaks the high, obviously with momentum.
Oh yes. Yes. On GJ, I would be more interested if this breaks the high, because I mean the thing is, yes, we are in a high time period, but look at this. You know, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 problem candles right there. You know, compared to GA, this is just a minor resistance. Here is a area of problem, right? Right here, right here, right here, right here. Just like it's different. It's stronger, this area. But the more time an area get hits, the weaker it gets, right? So there's a good chance it will break also. But for this, yeah, dogtail setup on GG would make more sense. So you wait for that bottom wick to form, break the high, and turn the break, and yeah, so you stop under that wick, and you should be good. Yeah, man, Jade, imagine if I had that trade. Yes, it would be amazing. It would have been amazing. What time is it now? 45. 44. 15 minutes closing now. 15 minutes is going to be closing like a small bearish that broke previous high or respected previous low. And I took my trade based on the 30 minutes, so I'll wait for that 30 minute to play out and see how it goes. But I think the first 15 minutes of that new 30 minute candle is normal to be in a drawdown a little bit, because we need to form that bottom wick. In that second half of the candle, we should start pushing our way. But if I see that candle starting to break the body of this candle, now I'm going to be starting to look at closing one of my positions.
To be honest with you, the Discord, the sound makes me think of the trading floor. It's the same noise of when I'm my old job.
Oh yeah?
Same freaking noise. Beep, beep, beep. And then you had the bond desk behind. Whenever they were making a trade, it would do like a ka-ching. So you would literally hear like ching. Just a little thought. Come on, GA.
Alright, now that 15-minute candle is closed. Closed like small bearish. So now we formed that bottom wick. So now we should start pushing up. Boom, boom, boom. My problem though is gold is dropping, and usually AUD
Goes up. And it drops too. So that's good. That's good for GA. Gold is dropping, AUD is going down. Then
Yeah, you're right.
GA should go up.
Yeah, you're right. Can we get this thing going? All right. All right. So where is my exact entry is at 611. Oh, actually it was right here. And partial is at 761. Oh, right here. Oh, geez. It was right on it. And stop is 445. 445 right here. Let's go, GA. Let's go. Anyone catch the buy on GJ during London session? I don't think so. Oh, maybe.
Yeah, I mean, this whole week it's been moving nicely, like the London session, GJ.
Yeah.
Tuesday, what are you talking about? Tuesday.
That's why I'm telling Yasin, keep the alarm at 2 a.m. and wake up.
Look at this thing now. Huh. Okay. H1. Yeah, we need to fill this wick, man. You know what? I'll put this partial TP right here at the wick fill. Here. GA, let's move this a little bit.
Breaking the low of the 15. Oof.
Yeah, I don't like that. Let's go. All right. Boom, 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 boom. Let's see. What's up? Why? This H1. If this H1 flip bearish, this is not cool. This is not cool. But yes, this was a huge rejection here. Yeah, now I'm exiting one position.
Why?
Yes, I'll just close one position. What about GJ? GJ is still there. What the hell? Okay, okay.
GG non plus, il est pas. Ouais, so far. A good week so far.
Don't stress, boy. Don't stress. Boom, boom, boom. What time is it now? 52? 52. So this H1's about to close. Yeah, the problem is this new 4-hour now. So now we're going to have a new 4-hour candle that's going to open. So this 4-hour, if it wants to go up, needs to create a bottom wick first, right? So that's why we might see a retracement down now. Yeah. Yeah. Is this candle as a wick here? Okay. Yeah, now if we break that QP, I'm gonna be out. Totally. Boom, boom, boom. Let's get it. Come on, baby. Boom, boom, boom. So we got 6 minutes left. My dog is crashing that door like there's no tomorrow. God damn. Boom, boom, boom. Are you closing your position now? Yeah, I closed one of my position already. Yeah. I'm waiting. I have like 5 minutes left to take my decision. But if a H1 flip bearish, like if it closed bearish, yes, I will be definitely closing. But already cut my losses at 50%, so that's pretty good. And it was dynamic risk, so I didn't even use 2%, so I was risking like probably like 1.7 or something like that. So that's still good. Pretty good. Wow, man. Looked like GJ didn't move. It's just like every time I look at it, it's like sitting here. Come on. Zena. Let's go, GA. Let's go. Let's go, GA. Let's go. Well, I imagine if you closing. Okay. Anyone catch? Okay. Oh man, I'm up to date in the chat, so that's good. That's good. That's real good. Real good. Real good. So far respected previous low, right? Broke previous high. H1 respected previous low also. Now flipping back bullish. Can we close bullish? It's that new 4 hours that drive me nuts. Because it needs to create a bottom wick first. Yeah, Eric closed bullish 5 minute. I think other candle is bullish again in 5 minute and closed bullish 30 minute. Let's see. Oh, 1 hour as in respected previous low. What do you mean? It did? Oh, maybe hold on. Maybe it's the line of my box here. Let's move that box. Oh, actually it did broke previous low. Huh. I was confused with the line of my box. Good catch here. Yeah. We need to make sure that this H1 flip bullish. Yeah, I was sure this was the bottom of the wick. Good catch. Zena. Enough. Boom, boom, boom. So we got 2 minutes. 2 minutes left. Let's see. Can GA do some magic here? GJ is still down there. Okay. Sorry. Let's go, GA. Let's go. All right, so we got 1 minute left. 1 minute. So far, this H1 flip bullish. Can we stay bullish? Can we stay bullish? All right, 20 seconds. It looked like it's, man, this gives me the feeling this is going to be a booby trap candle. But we'll see. H1 respected. All right, let's go. All right, so H1 just closed bullish, small doji. Small body candle. Pretty big wick to the downside, pretty big wick to the upside. It's kind of an indecisive candle, right? But definitely that 30-minute broke previous high, respected previous low. You know what? I feel like I'm going to be holding this one. I got a little hope here. But definitely if this candle breaks this low, I'm out. So that will be the point where I close my position. Now that I have a 30-minute that I can play with, that would be perfect. So, yeah. But I still have the feeling we can push up. Dun, 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 dun. What time is it now? What time is it? What time is it? Oh, 9. Shit. I'm gonna have to go soon. So, could you slide SL to under the last one? Yeah, I can do that, to be honest. Yes, I can definitely do that. But I don't want to get stopped out by the spread. So I'm going to leave it there because it's kind of close. And I will close manually. Or leave SL where it was from start. Yeah, I'm going to leave it from the start. And I'm just going to close it manually. Boom, boom, boom. Come on, Simon. Says it. Yalla, yalla. Where's Simon? We need Simon.
Yalla.
Yalla, yalla.
Yalla, I think GA is considering himself now the gold because it's tracing a lot.
Yeah.
He's considering himself a gold bear.
Yalla, yalla. So this is no top wick here. Bearish candle. I don't know. That is funky. Funky price action. Funky, funky. Can we respect that 500 QP, man? We need that QP to hold. Hold it tight, baby. Hold it. So break, retest, yeah. This thing should go up, man. To be honest, if this thing doesn't go up, I will not be mad. Because, I mean, that was pretty good. I mean, we got a break, retest, support form, rejecting QP, rejecting golden zone. I mean, yeah. I had all my confirmation, so I'm not mad. This was definitely a good trade. If it doesn't play out, it just didn't play out, right? He has a nice wick fill here. H4. H4 got a tiny wick down. Yeah, that should be good. That should be good. Now we're gonna get the NYSC volume coming soon in 30 minutes. But I will be closing. Oh, Zarif says, Walla Habibi. What does that mean? Walla Habibi.
Who said that?
Zarif. Zarif Shakil.
Yeah. Habibi is my love.
Habibi is what?
Habibi. Yalla, come on, Habibi. Yalla, yalla, Habibi. Habibi is my love.
Oh, my love. Oh, I like it.
Yalla.
All right. So that second entry now is at 1 pip profit. All right. 2 pips profit. Let's go. shit. I thought I muted myself. I unmuted myself, so I was talking to myself for a while. I don't know if anyone follow F1, but you should add F1 Troll on Instagram. This shit is so funny. So funny. What the hell? Crazy stuff. What? Oh. Wait a second. When is that? 151,658. 151,658. At 4 a.m. Holy. 658. Oh, right here, I guess. Huh. Okay. Weird. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, come on, bro. Come on, GA. Let's go. Taking forever. Yeah, F1 Troll, man, is so funny. What ES F1 IG is it's so funny, man. This shit makes me laugh. Instagram. Oh, there's this one too. This one are good. F1 meme Sig. Oh, IG. F1 memes IG. Yeah. This one is funny also. But the other one is where's this one? I think it's F1 Troll. F1 Troll. Yeah. This one. This thing is so funny, man. How am I saying is that if we let Mazepin stays, we're gonna get to look at the sexy toy safety, the sexy new safety car a whole lot more. Those are nice, man. But look at the next one. Max is fastest in FP1, FP2, FP3. Oh my god, Max is fast in qualifying. Get in there, Lewis. This shit is so funny. If Perez did not break down on the formation lap, Max would have another lap for it. Oh my god, this is so true though. This is so fucking true. Holy shit, I never realized that. That is so true. So true also. Hamilton went off track all day, man.
Okay, guys, I will take a leave.
Alright, take care, buddy. Take care. Yeah, I'm gonna be closing the stream anyways. I gotta get to gotta get ready, man. I got a big day today.
Yeah, please send the ID and password when you get free time.
Yeah, I will. Alright, take care, man.
Okay. Bye, Phil.
Alright, guys, so thank you very much for tuning in. I think it was a pretty good session, to be honest. Pretty good session. We got a 1 on GA, and now we're just waiting on that second trade to play out on GA. So thank you very much for tuning in. I'll see you Wednesday night for Forex Talk Over Beer, and Thursday morning for another live session. Donc merci beaucoup d'avoir été des nôtres. Je vous revois mercredi soir pour Forex Talk Over Beer, ou encore jeudi matin pour la prochaine session en direct de trading. Donc merci beaucoup d'avoir été des nôtres. I see you soon. Take care, guys.